Hello and very good morning everyone. Welcome to Sscmonk channel. Today in this video, we'll be completely covering trigonometry. In the first video, we covered only introduction to trigonometry. Then we covered the easier part of height and distance. In this part, we'll be covering each and everything about trigonometry. So let's start. Whether you are a beginner or you are a repeater, this video will be immensely helpful for your upcoming CGL examination. So do not leave in between in this video. Complete each and every type in this video. So let's start, guys.
It is saying, sir, find the value of sine 60 degree, tan 30 degree and cos 45 degree. Sir, here sine 60 degree is equal to what? Root 3 by 2. So I will write root 3 by 2. For your understanding, I am just going back and forth. Otherwise, I will simply write it. Now, sir, it is saying tan 30 degree. Sir, tan theta 30 degree, that is 1 by root 3. So I will write 1 by root 3 plus cos 45 degree. Sir, cos theta 45 degree, that is 1 by root 2. Yes or no? Yes. So it will be written as 1 by root 2. Yes or no? Yes. Now, in this question, I have to take what? Sir, I have to take here the LCM. Sir, root 2 is multiplication of root 2 into root 2. So here the total LCM will be 2 into root 3 because 2 is already the multiple of root 2. Now, sir, if I divide it by 2, this will be root 3 into root 3 plus 2 plus root 2 divided by this is equal to root 2 into root 3. Clear? Now this can be written as root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 plus root 6 divided by 2 into root 3, or I can say 5 plus root 6 by 2 root 3, or in some things it will written as root 3 will be multiplied on the upper part and lower part, that means in numerator and denominator. So root 3 into 5 plus root 6 divided by 2 root 3 multiply by root 3, which can also be said, sir, 5 root 3 plus root 3 into root 6 divided by 2 into 3, that is 6, or this can be written as 5 root 3 plus root 6 root 3 root 18, that can be written as 3 root 2. Square root of 18 is equal to 3 root 2 divided by 6. So this can be also the final answer, or this can be the final answer depending on whatever it is asked in the question. That is the most important part, and these sort of questions are being mostly asked in NTPC examination. Okay, so be prepared accordingly. Clear? Next question. Sir, what is the value of sine 30 degree? See, sine 30 value is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 30 value is equal to root 3 by 2. Tan 30 value is equal to 1 by root 3. Because tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. So 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by root 3. Now, if I take the LCM, sir, 2 root 3 LCM, here it will be root 3 plus root 3 into root 3, 3 plus divided by 2. That means, sir, 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 3 as the answer. Clear? Same case, I will multiply root 3 over here and find the answer as well. If I multiply root 3, it will be 5 root 3 plus root 3 into root 3, 3 divided by 2 into root 3 into root 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, that is equal to, I can directly write 6. So either this can be the answer or this can be the answer. Whatever is given in the option, based on that you can answer it. Clear? See, these are the CGL and NTPC questions we are solving. Okay, this was a CGL question. Previous one was the NTPC question. See, direct question will come. But to understand that, to remember that, you need to do what? You need to understand the values. Now, see, understand this. If you remember sine theta and cos theta value, you can find tan theta out of it. Why? Sir, sine theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Sir, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. Sir, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Sir, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. So even if you remember these two, you can find out others easily. So try to remember at least sine theta and cos theta values. Clear? Now, it may take time, but it is also a solution. Yes or no? Yes. Now, Sir, it is saying 4 by 3 tan 45, tan square 45. Sir, tan 45 is 1, tan square 45 is 1 square. Sir, 3 into cos square 30 degree. Sir, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2 square. Minus 2 into sec square 30. Sir, sec square 30 means it is opposite, or the opposite means reverse of cos 30. That means it is 2 by root 3 square. Minus 3 by 4 cot 60 degree. Sir, cot 60 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So this will be written as 1 by root 3 square. Sir, this can be written as 4 by 3 plus 3 into 9 by 3 by 4, my bad, minus 2 into 4 by 3 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. Here 3 crossed out. So this can be written as 4 by 3 plus 9 by 4 minus 8 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So first let's solve this one and this one. 9 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to plus 8 by 4. So 4 by 3 minus 8 by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3, because denominator is same, only numerator will be calculated. Basics of our mathematics. Yes or no? Yes. Now sir, what is remaining? 8 by 4 minus 4 by 3. Sir, 4 3 12, because co-primes. Sir, 3 here 24, 4 here 16. Sir, 24 minus 16 is equal to 8 by 12. Sir, 2 4s are 4 2s are 8, my bad. 4 3s are 12. So answer is 2 by 3. That is option A. Clear? Basic thing, and this is being asked in Ssc Cgl 2023 examination. That is what I am saying. So be prepared for all these things, and in order to solve these things, the value of sine theta cos theta should be remembered completely. Okay, next. Sir, if root 3 tan theta is equal to 3 sine theta, sir, what is it saying? Sir, root 3 tan theta is equal to 3 sine theta. Sir, root 3 3 divided, so it will be root 3. Sir, this is sine theta by cos theta is equal to root 3 sine theta. Both sides sine theta crossed out. I can write, sir, cos theta is equal to, cos theta will come to this side, root 3 will come to this side, is 1 by root 3. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, if cos theta is 1 by root 3, if cos theta is 1 by root 3, we know, sir, this will be B, this will be H. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, if this is B, this is H, then my P will be what? H square minus B square square root of that. That is equal to 3 minus 1 square root, that is equal to root 2. Yes or no? Yes. That means, sir, my sine theta will be root 2 by root 3. Yes or no? Because P by H. Now here it is saying sine square theta minus cos square theta. Sir, sine square theta means root 2 by root 3 square minus cos square theta means 1 by root 3 square. Sir, here it will be root 2 square is equal to 2, root 3 square 3 minus 1 by 3. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Denominator 3. Answer option C. See, this is one way to do it. When I will tell you few other rules, you will understand from the value of cos theta, you can directly find the value of sin theta without going through this whole process. Okay, so that you can utilize that methodology also. That is what I am saying. Okay, but right now, knowing this much only, we can also find the value of this whole question. Okay, and this is a mains tier 2 level question. Okay, understand this. Next. Sir, it is saying 2k sine 30 cos 30 cot 60 degree is equal to cot square 30 sec 60 and tan 45 divided by cos square 45 cosec 30. Yes or no? Yes. So let's write it. Sir, 2 multiply by k sine 30, I know, sir, 1 by 2, multiply by cos 30 root 3 by 2, multiply by cot 60 1 by root 3 is equal to cot square 30, that means root 3 square, that is equal to 3, multiply by sec 60, that means, sir, here it will be cos 60 is equal to known as 1 by 2, sec 60 is equal to only 2, multiply by tan 45, that is 1, divided by cosec square 45, that means root 2 square 2, multiply by cosec 30. Cosec 30 means 2. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 2 crossed out, 2 both side crossed out. Yes or no? Here 2 crossed out. Clear? Here root 3 crossed out. So what is remaining here? K into 1, that is K equal to 3 into 1, that is 3. So what is the value of K? The value of K is equal to 3. Clear? Sorted? See, questions are easy. We should be able to understand its application. That's it. Next. Sir, if A value is equal to 10 degree, what is this value? Sir, here it is said 12 sine 3a, that means 12 sine 3 into a, 3 into 10 is equal to 30 degree, plus 5 cos 5a, that means 5 into 10, 50 minus 5, that is equal to 45 degree, divided by 9 sine 9 into a by 2, sir, 10 by 2 is equal to 5, 9 into 5 is equal to 45 degree, minus 4 into cos, sir, 5 into 10 is equal to 50, plus 10 is equal to 60 degree. Yes or no? So this is given. Sir, 12 into sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, plus 5 into cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, divided by, sir, 9 into sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, minus 4 into cos 60 is equal to 1 by root 2. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. Sir, this can be written as 6 plus 5 by root 2 divided by 9 by root 2 minus 2. Yes or no? Yes. Now, if I take root 2 as the LCM, it will be 6 root 2 plus 5 divided by 9 minus 2 root 2 by root 2. Sir, root 2 crossed out. So what is remaining? Sir, 6 root 2 plus 5 divided by 9 minus 2 root 2. That is option C. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. What it was given? A. We utilized the value of A in this whole equation and found the answer. Yes or no? So this type of question will be asked, and this type of question may seem that this is bit complicated, this is bit calculative, but these are not that calculative. You need to understand this much. Okay? Yes or no? Now this is a good question. How? Sir, here it is saying 4 sine square this is equal to 3. Sir, it is saying 4 sine square 2x minus 10 degree is equal to 3. Or I can write, sir, sine square 2x minus 10 degree is equal to 3 by 4. Sir, sine square something means what? Sine 2x minus 10 degree whole square is equal to 3 by 4. Yes or no? That means, sir, sine 2x minus 10 degree is equal to square root of 3 by 4, which can be written as root 3 by 2. So, sir, sine root 3 by 2 is value of what? Sine 60 degree. Yes or no? That means this value is equal to what? 60 degree. So 2x minus 10 degree is equal to what? 60 degree. So 2x is equal to 60 degree plus 10, that is 70 degree. 235 is a 70. So the value of x is what? So the value of x is equal to 35 degree. Now we have to utilize this in this equation. Sir, sine to the power 4, 35 minus 5, that is 30 degree, plus cos to the power 4, 35 minus 5 is equal to 30 degree, divided by 1 minus 2 sine square 35 into 3 is equal to 105 minus 15 degree. 105 minus 15 degree is equal to 90 degree, multiplied by cos square 90 degree, because this is same 3x minus 15. Now I need to find this value. Sir, you have told us in the second slide sine to the power 4 30 is 1 to the power 4 30, 1 by 2 to the power 4, plus cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. So cos 4 30 means root 3 by 2 to the power 4. Now 1 minus, sir, cos square 90 is equal to 0. That means 0 multiplied by anything is equal to 0. So the lower part will be 0. Sir, upper part will be 1 by 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. Root 3 to the power 4 is equal to root 3 square 3, 3 square 9, 2 to the power 16. Sir, 16 in the denominator, 9 plus 1 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. Answer option B. What we did simple calculation. Sir, 1 to the power 4 is 1, 2 to the power 4 is 16. Root 3 square is what? Sir, root 3 to the power 4. That means root 3 should be multiplied 4 times. Sir, root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. Yes or no? If you are unable to understand this, root 3 to the power 4 is what? Root 3 into root 3 into root 3 into root 3. This root 3 will get me 3. This root 3 into root 3 get me 3. 3 cross 3 is equal to what? 9. So 3 3s are 9. 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. 16 in the LCM, 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 16 is the answer. If I have to solve it, simplify it, I will find, sir, it is 5 by 8. Clear? This sort of question you may see in Ntpc and Cgl. Clear? Now this is an interesting question. It is saying cos square theta by cot square theta plus sin square theta minus 1 is equal to 3. Sir, let's write it. Cos square theta is equal to 3 into cot square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. Simple. Sir, this can be further written as 3 cot square theta plus 3 sin square theta minus 1. Yes or no? Yes. Now, you have to remember one theory over here in order to solve the whole thing, solve the whole question. Sir, here the theory is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That means for any value of theta, for any angle of theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta will always get me 1. Or I can say sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Most used formula. Remember it. Okay. So this is the most important formula. Remember it. You have to remember this. Now I will be using this whole thing here. Why? Sir, I need to make sure that all variables, cot square, cos square, sin square, should be in one symbol. Otherwise, I won't able to be solve this whole question. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, here 3 cot square theta, it can be written as 3 cos square theta by sin square theta, plus 3 into sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta minus 1. Sir, 3 cos square theta by sin square theta plus 3 into 1 3 minus 3 cos square theta minus 1. Sorry, here it is minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 3. My bad, I missed this part because 3 has been multiplied with this whole thing. Now plus 3 minus 3 crossed out, minus 3 cos square will come to this side, so this will be 4 cos square theta. 4 cos square theta is equal to 3 cos square theta by sin square theta. Sir, cos square crossed out, sin square theta will come to this side, so 4 sin square theta is equal to 3, or I can write sin square theta is equal to 3 by 4, or sin theta is equal to root 3 by 4, which is equal to root 3 by 2. Sir, sin theta is root 3 by 2. That means for which value of theta sin theta is root 3 by 2? Sir, if theta is equal to 60 degree, then sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Now what do we find out? Sir, we find out what is the value of theta. Now in this equation, tan theta, in place of theta I can write tan 60 degree plus cosec theta. Here I can use cosec 60 degree. Sir, tan 60 degree is equal to root 3 plus cosec 60 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. So root 3 in the denominator, 3 root 3 is equal to 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5 by root 3. Yes or no? Yes or no? So this can be the answer, or in some cases root 3 will be multiplied in the numerator and denominator and it will be written as 5 root 3 by 3. So based on whatever is being asked in the question, you will answer it. Clear? It is saying sin 2a plus b by 2 is equal to cos 2a minus b by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. That means, sir, sin 2a plus b by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. For what value of theta sin theta is root 3 by 2? That means, sir, theta should be 60 degree. That means 2a plus b by 2 should be equal to 60 degree in this case, or I can write 2a plus b is equal to 60 into 2 is equal to 120 degree. Now again here it has given cos 2a minus b. Sir, cos 2a minus b by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. So for what value of theta in cos theta is root 3 by 2? So this must be equal to 30 degree. Otherwise cos theta won't be root 3 by 2. Now if this is 30 degree, I can write 2a minus b is equal to 30 into 2 is equal to 60 degree. Sir, 2a plus b is equal to 120 degree. 2a minus b is equal to 60 degree. If I add both, b will crossed out. 2a plus 2a is equal to 4a. 120 plus 60 is equal to 180. Sir, 4a is 180. 4a is equal to 180 by 4, that is equal to 45 degree. So what is the value of a? 45 degree. If sir value of a is 45, 2 into a is equal to 90. 90 minus b is equal to 60. So the value of b is what? 30 degree. You can use it in any equation, find the answer. Now sir, here it has asked me to find this sine 3 into a minus b, that is equal to sine 3 into 45 minus 30. That means sine 3 into 15 degree. That means sine 45 degree. That means 1 by root 2 is the answer. Option B. See what a good level of question. What is a really interesting question is this. But if you understand, if you be natural, calm, cool, anxious free, and you approach such question in examination, it won't be a problematic for you. It will be easy for you to comprehend. It will be easy for you to understand such things and proceed. Clear? Now understand this. We were learning about the value of theta from 0 to 90 degree. Yes or no? Yes. Now we will be learning something different. What is that? Now understand. This is called quadrants. Okay. This is known as first quadrant. First quadrant means 0 degree to 90 degree value. This is known as second quadrant. Second quadrant means 90 degree to 180 degree. This is known as third quadrant. Third quadrant means 180 degree to 270 degree. This is known as fourth quadrant. This means 270 degree into 360 degree. Clear? Yes. Now, when we are taking the value of theta as 0 to 90, for all sine theta, cos theta, cot theta, whatever the theta you take, all the value here from 0 to 90 degree will be positive. Here, all values are positive. But when we take the value as what? We take the value as 90 degree plus, that means sine 91 degree, sine 95 degree, sine 120 degree, or cos 120, cosec 120, cot 120. Every angle should be in between 90 to 180. Here the value of sine theta and cosec theta will be only positive. Okay. Here the value of sine theta and cosec theta will be positive. But when you will be calculating the value of tan theta and cot theta, and their value is greater than 180 degree and less than 270 degree, then the value of tan theta and cot theta will be positive. Other values will be negative. That means if I say what is cos 120 degree value, it will be negative value. If I say here what is sine 250 degree value, it will be a negative value, because in this quadrant, in the angle between 180 to 270, only tan and cot value are positive. Here only sine and cosec value is positive. And in the fourth quadrant, only cos theta and sec theta value is positive, others are negative. So if someone asks me what is the value of cosec 280 degree, it is negative value, because in this quadrant between 270 to 360, only cos theta and sec theta will be positive. If someone asks what is the value of tan 99 degree, it will be negative because tan is positive in first quadrant and third quadrant. In first quadrant everything is positive. In third quadrant only tan and cot is positive. If it asks what is tan 182 degree value, it will be a positive value. Clear? So what is the tricks to remember? The tricks is after school then college. What does this mean? This means, sir, here A means all, first quadrant. S means sine, cosec. T means tan, cot. C means cos theta and sec theta. So in first quadrant everything is positive. In second quadrant sine and cosec are positive. In third quadrant tan and cot is positive. In fourth quadrant only cos theta and sec theta is positive. Clear? That's it. So now we'll be learning certain things. Now understand this. Here everything will be known as theta or 90 degree minus theta. Clear? In the second quadrant everything will be known as 90 degree plus theta or 180 degree minus theta. In the third quadrant everything will be known as 180 degree plus theta or 270 degree minus theta. In the fourth quadrant everything will be known as 270 degree plus theta or 360 degree minus theta. Clear? So this is how the quadrants will work. Okay, now next important thing, always remember, if I am writing this, that sine 90 degree minus theta, then the value, the sine value will automatically change. It is cos theta. And sine 90 degree minus theta means what? Sine 90 degree minus theta means it is within the first quadrant. Yes or no? Yes. So in the first quadrant everything is positive. So this is cos theta. If I write here cos 90 degree minus theta, that means it is sine theta. If I write tan 90 degree minus theta, that means it is the reciprocal cot theta. If I write cosec 90 degree minus theta, it will be sec theta. If I write sec 90 degree minus theta, it will be cosec theta. Or if I write cot 90 degree minus theta, it will be tan theta. For an example, if I say, sir, what is tan 60 degree? Sir, tan 60 degree can also be written as tan 90 degree minus 30 degree, because 90 degree minus 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. Sir, tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. So tan 60 degree value is equal to cot 30 degree value. Sir, tan 60 degree actual value is what? Sir, tan 60 degrees actual value is root 3. Sir, cot 30 degrees actual value is what? Root 3. See, both values are equal. So this is how 90 degree minus theta value changes. 90 degree minus theta value changes each other. Okay, but if it says sine 90 degree plus theta, now 90 degree plus theta means what in the second quadrant? In the second quadrant, what are the positives value? Sir, always remember, sine value is positive in the second quadrant, so this will be plus, but because of 90 degree plus, it will be cos theta. Now if it says cos 90 degree plus theta, so 90 degree plus theta second quadrant, in second quadrant cos is negative, but cos 90 degree plus will be sine theta. So the value of cos 90 degree plus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Same for tan 90 degree plus theta value, it will be minus cot theta. Plus for cot 90 degree plus theta value, it will be minus tan theta. For sec 90 degree plus theta value, it will be minus cosec theta. For value of cosec 90 degree plus theta, the value will be plus sec theta. See, every time you are doing 90 degree plus or 90 degree minus, the changes will be for 90 degree plus theta or 90 degree minus theta. Sin theta will change to cos theta and cos theta will change to sin theta. Same, tan theta will change to cot theta, cot theta will change to tan theta. Same, sec theta is changed to cosec theta, cosec theta will change to sec theta. Now understand this. Why I am going this slow? Because I understand I have to complete everything by 7th. Still I need you to breathe some air. Still I need you to understand what is required. Still I need you to see what is the difference. What is the difference between, or what is the understanding between all these things. What all these things? How sine works, how cos works, what actually happens. Okay, what actually happens. Now understand this. The trick is, if it is 90 degree into n minus or plus theta, the symbol will reverse in case of n is odd. In case of n is odd, that means if I multiply 90 degree into 1 plus theta or minus theta, sin theta, tan theta, sec theta will convert to cos theta, cot theta and cosec theta. If it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, then the symbol will change. But if it is 2, 4, 6, then it won't change. So remember this, the most of the time you may see direct question coming from this particular type of question, that sine 500 degree plus theta. Let's say it asks sine, let me change the color, sine 540 degree plus theta. Sir, sine 540 degree plus theta can also be written as sine 90 degree into 6 plus theta. Sir, 6 is what? Sir, 6 here is even number. Sir, if 6 is even, sine won't change into cosine. Sine will remain as sine. But now I have to check in which quadrant it is coming. In which quadrant it is coming. Sir, in terms of quadrant, this start from 0, 90, 180, 270, 360, then again 90, 450, then again 90, 540, then again 90, 630, plus 90, 720 and so on. The circle will go on. Now we are talking about 540 degree plus theta. That means the value will come in this range, 540 to 630. In this range, only tan and cot are positive. That means sin theta is negative. So the value is minus sin theta. Clear? Yes or no? So in such cases, remember this. In such cases, you will see the values are getting changed depending on the nth factor and which quadrant it is coming in. Clear? Next. Understand this. This is what I have already taught you. Okay, how the values are changing, and this is what you already know. 1 by sin x is equal to cos x, 1 by cos x is equal to sec x, 1 by tan x is equal to cot x. Clear? Now it is written that sin minus a, for an example, it is written sin minus 90 degree, that is equal to minus sin 90 degree, or you can say minus sin a. Option C is the right answer. Clear? Next. Sir, it is saying tan 90 degree minus theta. 90 degree multiplied by 1. 1 is odd. That means cot theta is equal to 2 by root 3. If sir cot theta is 2 by root 3, tan theta will be what? 1 by cot theta. That means 1 by 2 by root 3, or it can be written as root 3 by 2. So what is the value of tan theta? Root 3 by 2. Here it has asked what is the value of 2 root 3 tan theta plus 1. Sir, it can be written as 2 root 3 multiply by root 3 by 2 plus 1. 2 crossed out. Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Answer is equal to option A. Clear? Yes or no? So this is how you can directly find the answers. But you need to understand the basics, and this sort of question will come multiple number of times in your examination. Let's see one more. Sir, what is the simplified version of this? Sir, cos square 90 minus theta. Sir, 90 into 1, that means this will be sine. So this is sine square 90 minus theta, that means quadrant 1. So positive sine square minus theta, sine square theta. Sir, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta into cos theta given. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. Cos theta crossed out, sine theta will go to the upper side. So this is sine square theta minus sine theta into sine theta. Sir, sine theta into sine theta is equal to also sine square theta. So sine square theta minus sine square theta is equal to 0. Answer is equal to 0. Clear? This sort of question will come, but you need to understand these things. You need to understand how to apply those things. Clear? Next. Sir, it is saying solve this 90 degree minus theta into cos 90 degree minus theta into cot 90 degree minus theta divided by cos square theta minus 1. Sir, we know 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta. If I change the symbol, that is cos square theta minus 1, it will be minus sine square theta. Yes or no? Yes. So on the upper part, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sine theta. Cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta divided by minus sine square theta. So sin theta crossed out. Here it can be written as cos theta into sine theta, tan theta is sine theta by cos theta multiplied by minus sine theta. Sine theta crossed out, cos theta crossed out. 1 is there, so the answer is minus 1. So what is the value of this expression? It is minus 1. Clear? This is how you can directly find the answer. Yes? Got it? Yes or no? Yes? Next. Sir, here it is saying cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree. Sir, what we know? Sir, we know cot 85 degree can also be written as cot 90 degree minus 5 degree. Yes or no? Sir, cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. Sir, cos 75 degree can also be written as cos 90 degree minus 15 degree, because 19 minus 15 is 75. So 90 degree minus theta is equal to sine 15 degree. So if it is added over here, it will be added over here. So answer is tan 5 degree plus sine 15 degree. That is equal to option C. See, these sort of questions are being asked in CGL prelims, and this was a 2023 question. So be prepared for this sort of questions. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Got it? Next question. Sir, it is saying tan pi plus theta. What I have told you? Pi is equal to 180 degree. That means tan 180 degree plus theta. Sir, 180 degree can be written as tan 90 degree into 2 plus theta. 90 degree into 2 even. So this symbol won't change. So it will be tan theta. 180 degree plus theta means third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. So it will be positive tan theta. Answer option D. Clear? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Yes. So this is how you will be solving these questions. These questions will be dealt in this way. Okay? Now, understand this. It is saying what is the value of sine this plus cos this. What is the value of sine this plus cos this? Now, you need to remember few things. If it is written as sine A plus B, this can be written as sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. or if it is written as sine a minus b, then it will be written as sine a into cos b minus cos a into sine b. If it is written as cos a plus b, it will be written as cos a into cos b minus sine a into sine b. If it is written as cos a minus b, it will be written as cos a into cos b plus sine a into sine b. Okay, or if it is written as like this, sine a plus sine b, then this will be written as 2 sine a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. If it is written as sine a minus sine b, it will be written as 2 into cos a plus b by 2 into sine a minus b by 2. Clear? If it is written as cos a minus cos b, 2 sine a plus b by 2 into sine b minus a by 2, or if it is written as cos a plus cos b, it will be written as 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. This is the series of formulas you have to remember at any cost. You have to remember at any cost. There is no other way to remember this. Trust me on this. Okay, so this should remembered this way. Now here in this question, what it has said, sir, here it has said sine 73 degree cos 137 degree. Sir, it can be written as sine 1730 degree plus cos 90 degree plus 47 degree. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, this can be written as sine 73 degree cos 90 degree minus, that means it in the second quadrant, so this will be minus cos 90 degree plus theta, that is equal to sine theta. Sir, sine a minus sine b, here we know sine a minus sine b is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sine a minus b by 2. This can be written as 2 into cos 120 by 2 into sine 26 by 2. So this can be further written as 2 cos 60 degree into sine 13 degree. Sir, cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2 into sine 13 degree, as it is 2 crossed out. So the answer is sine 13 degree, that is option A. Clear? So this sort of question will be dealt this way. Got it? Now let's solve this question. What it is saying? 1 by cos x. So let's write it as 1 by cos x multiply by square root of sine 180 degree plus x. 180 means 90 into 2. So 2 is what? Even. So this cos won't change into sine. So it will be remain sine x. But cos 180 degree plus x is equal to what? Sir, it is third quadrant. So this will be minus sine x into cos minus x is equal to cos x. Okay. See, sine minus a is equal to minus sine a. Cos minus a is equal to positive cos a. Okay. So remember this. Now divided by sine 180 degree minus x. 180 degree minus x means same sine x, but it will be in the second quadrant, so it is positive. Into cos 90 degree plus x. That means this is minus sine x. Minus sine x minus sine x crossed out. Minus sine x minus sine x crossed out. Yes, sorry, it won't be minus sine x. It will be minus cos x. My bad. Cos 180 won't change into sine x. My bad. So here it will be minus minus crossed out. Upper part cos square x, lower part sine square x. So square root will be 1 by cos x into cos x by sine x. Cos x crossed out. It is 1 by sine x, which is equal to cosec x. Answer cosec x. Clear? So this is how different questions or different answers will be asked, and you have to answer these things. Clear? Sir, it is saying find the exact value of cos 120 degrees. Sir, it is written as cos 120 degree. This can be written as cos 90 degree plus 30 degree. Sir, this can be written as 90 degree plus theta. So this will be sine 30 degree, but 90 degree plus theta means second quadrant, so it will be minus. Sir, minus sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 can also be written as 0.5. So answer is minus 0.5. That is option A. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Next. Sir, what is the value of sine minus 405? Now, sir, in this question, it will be written as sine minus a is equal to minus sine a. Sir, 405 also can be written as minus sine 90 degree into 4 plus 45 degree. That means 90 degree into 4 means 360 degree. Yes or no? So 360 degree here plus theta, that means in the first quadrant again. So it will be positive. That means this symbol won't change. So this is minus sine 90 degree into 4. This is an even number. So sine won't change into cos. So this is sine 45 degree. So this is minus 1 by root 2 because the value of sine 45 is root 2. So answer is option. Clear? So this is how various questions will be asked, and this the question that I am solving right now are different sort of questions being asked in different SSC and NTPC examination. This is how you all will be solving the questions. So remember this value and the theories and formulas that I have taught you very seriously. Otherwise it will be really difficult for you to solve these questions. See, if there are two angles, okay, one is known as beta and another is known as theta, and if their value is equal to 90 degree, they will be called as what? Complementary angles. So if two angles are complementary, alpha and beta, or A and B are complementary, then tan A into tan beta, tan alpha into tan beta is equal to 1. Cot alpha into cot beta will be 1. Sin alpha into sec beta. Understand this. Tan cot was 1. Here sin sec SS, or cos CC. CC tan cot tan 1, sin sec 1, cosec 1, and alpha plus beta should be 90 degree. And if alpha plus beta is 90 degree, sin square alpha plus sin square beta will be 1, cos square alpha plus cos square beta will be 1. But for all angles, whatever the angle it is, sin square theta plus cos square theta will always be 1. Okay, so with all this information, let's start. Now see, it is saying sin 1 into sec 89. Sin sec 1 degree plus 89 degree is equal to 1. That means sin into sec is equal to 1 plus 3 cosec 11 degree 79 degree. 79 plus 11 is equal to 1. So cos and cosec will be 1 plus 5 into tan 25 tan 69. Tan here 21 69 are 90 degree. That means they are complementary. So this multiplication will be 1. That means this is 2 plus 3 plus 5, which is equal to 2 3s are 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Option D. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Next. Sir, here it is showing tan 5 degree, tan 25 degree, tan 45 degree, tan 65 degree. Sir, tan 5 and tan 85, these are what? These are complementary because 5 degree plus 85 degree is equal to 90 degree. That means tan 5 degree into tan 85 degree will get me what? 1. Sir, again tan 25 degree into tan 65 degree, 65 plus 25 90. So this both will get me 1. So the multiplication is 1 and this multiplication is 1. What is remaining? Tan 45 degree, which is equal to 1. So answer of this whole multiplication is what? 1. Simple question. This was asked in CGL 2023. So understand this. Okay. Now, sir, here it is saying cos 37 degree. divided by sine 50 degree. Sir, you told us, sir, sine 53 degree can also be written as sine 90 degree minus 37 degree. That means 90 minus theta can be written as cos 37 degree. So here in place of sine 53 degree, what can be written? Cos 37 degree. Now cos 37 degree crossed out. What is remaining? 1. Sir, cos cosec 47 degree plus 43 degree is equal to 90 degree. So cos alpha cos beta, alpha plus beta complementary. So this multiplication will be 1. Here it is 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. See, these sort of questions, this is also 2023 question. This sort of question will be solved without pen and paper. That is what I am telling you. Okay. Next. Sir, what is the value of cos 50 and sin 40? Now understand. Sin 40 can be written as sin 90 degree minus 50. So 90 degree minus 50 can also be written as cos 50. So here it is equal to cos 50. Cos 50 crossed out. So this is 1 plus cosec 80 sec 10. What it is written? Cosec 80 sec 10. So this can be written as 3 by sin 80, 1 by cos 10, or this can be written as 3 cos 10 by sin 80. Yes or no? Now sin 80 is also can be written as sin 90 degree minus 10, that is equal to cos 10. So this value will be what? Cos 10. Now cos 10 crossed out. So this will be 3 into 1. Yes or no? Yes. Now cos 50 cos 40. 50 plus 40 90 degree. Cos cosec. So this will be 1. So the whole thing is 1 plus 3 into 1 minus 2 into 1. So this is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. So the whole answer is the value is equal to 2. Clear? I am not going fast. I am trying to tell you that this sort of question that are being asked repeatedly in SSC, CGL, CHSL, CPU examinations can be solved without using pen and paper. Getting the idea? Yes. Next. Sir, 3 sin 58 degree. 3 sin 58 degree by cos 32 degree. Now understand. Again and again, whether if I have to solve it, understand this. If this is written as sin alpha and this is written as cos beta, if alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree, then sin alpha is equal to cos beta. Now 58 plus 32 90 degree. So these are equal, crossed out. Same 42 48 90 degree. So these are equal, crossed out. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Remember this. If alpha plus beta or a plus b is equal to 90, then sin a is equal to cos b or sin b is equal to cos a. Clear? Or sin beta is equal to cos alpha. Sorted? Next. If cos 2a is equal to 75 degree, that means what? 2a plus 75 degree is equal to 90 degree. I told you sin alpha and is equal to cos beta. That means alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree. That means 2a is equal to 90 degree minus 75 degree, which is equal to 15 degree. 2a is 15. A is equal to 15 by 2. That is equal to 7.5 degree. Answer option B. Clear? Yes or no? Next. Sir, it is saying cos 40 degree plus x is equal to sin 30. It's very simple. So that means 40 degree plus x plus 30 degree should be 90 degree. 40 30 70. So x is equal to 90 minus 70, which is equal to 20 degree. Value of x 20 degree. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Next. Sir, tan 2 theta is equal to cot this much. Same. If alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree, then tan alpha is equal to cot beta or tan beta is equal to cot alpha. Now here tan this equal, that means 230 plus 2 theta plus theta minus 36 degree is equal to 90 degree, or I can write 3 theta is equal to 90 plus 36, that is 126 degree, or theta is equal to 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, that is equal to 42 degree. So what is the value of theta? It is 42 degree. See, these are 2023 questions that I am solving. You should not be surprised about it. Okay. Now cos this is equal to sine this. That means 2 theta plus 50 degree plus theta is equal to 90 degree. So 3 theta is equal to 90 degree minus 54 degree, which is equal to 36 degree. 3 theta 36. Theta is equal to 36 by 3, that is 12 degree. Sir, if theta is 12 degree, that means 1 by cot 5 theta, that is equal to cot 60 degree, plus sec 5 theta 60 degree by 2, that is 30 degree. What is its value? Sir, cot 60 degree is equal to 1 by root 3 plus sir sec to 30 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. Answer is 1 by root 3. 1 plus 2, that is 1 by 3 by root 3. Root 3 crossed out. So the whole answer is 1 by root 3. What is the answer? 1 by root 3. Clear? Sorted? Next. Sir, it is saying sec 5 alpha minus 15 degree is equal to cosec this much. Now, again the third relation, if alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree, then sec alpha is equal to cosec beta, or sec beta is equal to cosec alpha. If these two are equal, that means 5 alpha minus 15 degree plus 15 degree minus 2 alpha is equal to 90 degree, plus minus crossed out. 5 alpha minus 2 alpha is equal to 3 alpha, which is equal to 90 degree. So alpha is equal to 90 by 3, that is 30 degree. So what is the value of alpha? 30 degree. That means this is what it has asked. So this value will be written as cos 30 degree plus sine 2 theta 2 alpha, that is 2 into 30, that is 60, sine 60 degree plus tan 1.5 into 30 is equal to 45 degree. Sir, cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, root 3 by 2 is equal to 2 root 3 by 2. 2 crossed out plus 1. So answer is equal to root 3 plus 1. That is option D. Clear? Yes or no? Basic things are here. We are not doing something extraordinary. Okay? Yes or no? Yes. Next. Sir, this is an interesting question. It is saying cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. Cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. That means theta plus 2 theta is equal to 90 degree. If 3 theta is 90, theta is equal to 90 by 3 is equal to 30 degree. Yes or no? So sine 4th theta, it can be written as sine 4 30 degree plus cos q theta, that can be written as cos q 30 degree plus sine q theta can be written as sine q 30 degree plus sine square theta can be written as sine square 30 degree plus cos square theta can be written as cos square 30 degree plus sine theta sine 30 plus cos theta cos 30. Sir, sine to the power 4 theta, that is root 3 by 2 to the power 4. Sorry, my bad. Sine, this will be 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus cos square 30, that is root 3 by 2 to the power cube plus sine cube theta, that means 1 by 2 to the power cube plus sine square theta, that means 1 by 2 to square plus sine cos square theta, that means root 3 by 2 whole square plus sine theta 1 by 2 plus cos 30, that is equal to root 3 by 2. Clear? Yes. Now 1 by 2 to the power 4 is equal to 1 by 16 plus root 3 cube is equal to 3 root 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 cube is equal to 1 by 8. 1 by 2 square is equal to 1 by 4. Root 3 by 2 square is equal to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. Now understand, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 4 by 4. So this whole thing will be 1. Yes or no? Yes. Now this thing, what is remaining? Sir, 1 by 16 plus 3 root 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus this one plus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. So for all this thing, what will be the denominator? 16, because of the LCM. Now 16, 1 will be as it is. 8, so it will be 2. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Root 3 plus 2, 1, 16 plus 2, 8 is a 16. 2, 8, so it is 8 root 3. So 8 root 3 plus 6, 6 root 3 is equal to 14 root 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 16, 19 plus 8, 27. 2 1s are 3 plus 16, 19 plus 8, 27. Oh, okay, one more there, cos 4 theta. So this is cos 4, 30 degrees missing. So this will be root 3 by 2 to the power 4, or this will be 9 by 16. So it will be 9 by 16. So one more 9 will be added here. My bad, I have missed this part. So 27 plus 9 is equal to 36 divided by 16. If I take 2 common out here, it will be 7 root 3 plus 8 divided by 16. 2 8s are 16. Why did I take 2 common? Because in this question denominator is 8, 7, 18. Here 16 is there. So it will be, the possible answer will be 8 is the denominator. So answer is what? 7 root 3 plus 18 by 8. That is equal to option D. Clear? This question was bit calculative, but we understood what it had asked. Yes or no? Clear? Next. Sir, it is saying, first let me help you remember. If alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree, sine square alpha plus sine square beta is equal to 1. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta is equal to 1. Sir, here 32 plus 58, 90. So this will be 1. Cos 32, 58, 90. So this will be 1. So this thing will be 1 plus sine square 53 degree plus cos 53 degree. Sine 37 is equal to cos 90 minus 53 degree. So this can be written as cos 53 degree. So this is 1 plus sine square 53 degree cos square, or let's make it, let's keep it sine 37 as it is. Cos 53 degree can be written as cos 90 degree minus 37. So this can be written as sine square 37 degree. Why I keep it this way? Because 53 degree plus 37 degree are 90 degree. So this is what? Sine square 53 degree plus sine square 37 degree. So sine square alpha, sine square beta 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Answer option A. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Or even if I would have made it into cos square 53 degree, sine square theta plus cos square theta would have been 1. This is equal to 2. Clear? Sorted? Next. Sir, 5 cos square 62 plus 5 cos square 28 minus 21. See, from this above, if I take 5 common, it is what? Cos square 62 degree plus cos square 28 degree. Yes or no? 60 to 28, 90. So this whole part will be what? 1 divided by, if I take 7 common, sine square 35 degree plus sine square 55 degree plus 1. This part will be also 1 because 35 plus 55 is equal to 90 degree. So this can be written as 5 minus 21 divided by 7 plus 1. So this is minus 16 by 8. 8 2s are minus 6. Answer equal to minus 2. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Sorted? Next. Sir, it is saying tan 60 degree minus theta into tan 30 degree plus theta. Sir, what I have told you, if alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree, tan alpha into tan beta will be 1. Sir, here tan alpha, that is 60 degree plus minus theta plus 30 degree plus theta plus minus crossed out, 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. That means this whole part is equal to 1. So on the upper part it is root 2 divided by sine 45 degree plus theta, 45 minus degree theta is equal to 90 degree. So the below part will be 1. So the answer is option D, root 2. Clear? We are only using two formulas, and based on that we are calculating the whole thing. Next, sir, it is saying 5 cos square 62 degree plus 5 cos square 28 degree. Again, I will take 5 comma, I think I am repeating this question. Yeah, this question has been repeated, so leave it. So it is saying cos 9 plus sin 81, sec 9 plus cosec 81, cosec square 71 degree plus cosec square 15 degree minus tan square 19 degree plus cos square 75 degree. What is its value? Now, cos cosec 71 plus 15. Is it getting me anything? No, sir. But cos square 15 degree, cos square 75 degree. That will get me what? 1. Now what is here? Tan square 19 degree is equal to simply cot square 71 degree, because 90 degree minus 19 degree is equal to cot square. So this is what? Cosec square 71 degree minus cot square 71 degree. Yes or no? Yes or no? Clear? Now understand this. Let me tell you this rule. Sir, we know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Sir, cosec square theta minus cot square theta 1 plus this whole thing 1. So the denominator will be 2. So the whole denominator is 2. Now cos 9 sin 81. Sin 81 is equal to also cos 9 degree. So this is 2 cos 9 degree plus sec 9 cosec 81 plus sec 9 cosec 81. Sir, if it is written as cosec 81, this can also be written as sec 9, because we know cosec alpha is equal to sec beta. Yes or no? Yes. So sir, this whole thing can be written as 2 into sec 9 degree. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, we know cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, or cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. So cos 9 into sec 9 will be 1. 2 crossed out. Answer is equal to 2. Option D. See, this whole thing can be solved directly. This can be solved orally without using pen and paper. Why I told you all these things? Because these rules are being used in this case. Okay, so you have to remember these rules along with the 2 rule we just learned through this class. Clear? Yes or no? Sorted? Next. This is an interesting question. Sir, this question looks scary, but what we know? Sir, we know sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Sir, here sec, here it is cot. So either I have to change it into cosec, or I have to change it into what? Or I have to change it into this cot into tan. Sir, cot 47 is equal to tan square 43. Sir, tan square 23 cosec square 67. This is equal to sec square 23. Yes or no? Yes. Now sir, that means this whole part, tan square 43 minus sec square 43, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So minus 1 is equal to tan square theta into sec square theta. So this is 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1. Same case. So this can be written as minus 3 plus 2, which is equal to minus 1. So the upper part, numerator is minus 1. Now in this denominator, sir, it is cosec square something, tan something, tan square something, cot something. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, cosec square minus tan square theta cannot do something. But sir, we know cosec square minus cot square theta into 1. So if I change tan square 22 degree minus theta is equal to cot square something, I will get my answer. Now alpha plus beta is equal to 90. then tan alpha is equal to tan beta. Yes or no? So alpha is equal to what? 90 degree minus beta, or beta is equal to what? 90 degree plus alpha, 90 degree minus alpha. Yes or no? Yes. So if I have to make tan square this is equal to cot square x, that means x value should be equal to 90 degree minus 22 degree minus theta, or 90 degree minus 22 degree plus theta. So this is equal to 68 degree plus theta. So this x value is now what? 68 degree plus theta. Yes or no? Here it is cosec square 68 plus theta. Here this will be changed into cot square 68 degree plus theta. So they both will get what? So they both will get me 1. Now this is what? Tan theta plus 61. Sir, tan theta plus 61 is equal to cot something when x is equal to 90 degree minus theta plus 61. Sir, this can be written as 90 degree minus theta minus 61, which is equal to 29 degree minus theta. Yes or no? So cot x value is equal to what? 29 degree minus theta. Yes or no? Yes. Now if cot tan theta plus 61, this value will be written as cot 29 minus theta, and this is plus cot 29 minus theta. That's meant this and this will crossed out. So what will be remain in the lower part? So the lower part will remain as minus 1 by 1, because we have already find out minus 1 for the upper part, 1 for the lower part. So answer is minus 1, that is option D. I know at the beginning this might looked like, a very confusing, a very terrifying thing, or a very horrifying question, but when we try to move the pieces together, when we try to understand each and everything, we find out that this is not that tough. While you are understanding it, it may seem tough, but this is not actually tough. So all such questions can be solved this way. Okay, so this is how you can solve these questions. It is saying what is the incorrect formula? Sir, we know sec square theta plus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this is the right formula. We know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That is also right. Sir, we know cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. That is also right. Sir, we do not know this. That means this is the wrong formula. So never ever sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to 1. Clear? Now it is saying 1 by tan theta plus tan theta is equal to what? 1 by tan theta plus tan theta is equal to what? Sir, 1 by tan theta can also be written as what? Cot theta. So this is written as cot theta plus tan theta. Sir, cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. If I take the LCM, this will be sin theta plus cos theta. This will be cos square theta. This will be sin square theta. Sir, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. Sir, 1 by sin theta is cosec theta and 1 by cos theta is sec theta. So answer is cosec theta into sec theta. This sort of question will be directly asked in where? Directly asked in RRB Ntpc. So be prepared. Clear? Next. Sir, sin theta plus into tan theta plus cos square theta minus 1 is equal to what? Sir, sin theta into tan theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 is equal to what? Now, in this case, in such cases, you will take theta is equal to 45 degree. Find the answer of the question. Answer means the value of the question, and try the value of theta in the options. Whichever option matches the value of question, it is the right answer. Clear? Now in this case, let's say theta is equal to 45 degree. So if theta is equal to 45 degree, sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Tan theta is 1 plus cos theta is 1 by root 2 whole square minus 1. So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 is root 2, 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 root 2 is equal to root 2 square minus 1. So root 2 square is 2, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So the value of this question is 1. Now I have to test this whole thing in this question. Sir, sec square theta. Sir, sec 45 is root 2. So root 2 square is equal to 2. So this is not the right answer. Cosec theta. Sir, cosec theta is root 2. This is not the answer. Sir, sec theta is root 2. Not the answer. Tan square theta, sir, tan 45 is equal to 1. Tan square theta is equal to 1. So this is my right answer. Clear? So in this case, you will directly use the value of theta and find the answer. Got it? Yes or no? Yes. Now, before you start solving this question, let me tell you something. See, I told you sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. A square minus b square can also be written as a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to 1. So this can be said as sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. This goes down, or sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. Same applicable for cosec theta as well. Clear? Now, here in this question it is said 1 by cos theta plus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta. Now cos theta 1 by cos theta can be written as sec theta plus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta. Sir, this can be written as minus sec theta plus tan theta, because this whole thing 1 by tan theta minus sec theta can be taken as minus will come out. So this will be sec theta minus tan theta. Sir, 1 by sec theta minus tan theta can be written as sec theta plus tan theta, but minus is there. So this will be written as this. Now, if minus is there, plus sec theta will be here, sec theta plus will be minus sec theta and minus tan theta. Yes or no? Sec theta crossed out. What is remaining? Minus tan theta is the answer. So this is equal to what? Minus tan theta is the right answer. Clear? This is how you will be solving questions in this particular chapter. Or you will directly put any value of theta, check with what? Check with the option and find the answer. Clear? Sorted? Next. Sir, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to what? Sir, cosec theta is equal to what? 1 by sin theta. Cot theta is equal to what? Cos theta by sin theta whole square. So this can be written as 1 by cos theta by sin theta whole square, or this can be written as 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. Sir, sin square theta is also known as 1 minus cos square theta. So on the upper part it is 1 minus cos theta whole square, and in the lower part it is 1 minus cos square theta. A square minus b square can also be written as a plus b into a minus b. Now this 1 square cut out. So what is remaining? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So what is the value? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Option B is the right answer. Clear? Simple. Or directly use the value of theta and find the answer. Sorted? Next. Sir, it is given 1 plus tan square a by cos square a dot tan a multiply by tan a. Sir, 1 plus tan square a can be written as sec square a divided by cosec square a, that can be written as 1 by sin square a multiply by tan a can be written as sin a by cos a 1 sine square, 1 sine a crossed out. So on the upper part it can be written as sec square a can be written as 1 by cos square a multiply by this whole thing will come to the upper part, that is cos a into sine a. 1 cos a, 1 square a crossed out. So sine a by cos a, that is equal to tan a. Answer option D. You can do this way, or you can take a is equal to 45 degree, tan square a, that means 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Cos square a, that means root 2 square is equal to 2 multiply by 1. 2 2's are out, so it is 1. So the value of tan 45 1. So this is the right answer, or cot 45 1. You can find the whole thing from this particular question. Got it? Yes or no? Yes. Next. Sir, it is saying theta is an acute angle triangle. Sin theta plus cosec theta is equal to 2. This can also be written as sin theta plus 1 by sin theta is equal to 2. Sir, in the algebra you have told us if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. Yes or no? That means the value of sin theta is equal to what? 1. Now it is asking what is the value of sin 99 theta plus cosec 99 theta. So this can be written as sin 99 theta plus 1 by sin 99 theta. Sir, sin theta is 1. So this will be written as 1 to the power 99 plus 1 by 1 to the power 99. Sir, 1 power anything is 1 plus 1 by 1, it is equal to 2. So the right answer is option D. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Got it? Next. Sir, cosec square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 1 by 3. So find the value of cosec 4 theta into cot 4 theta. Sir, a fourth minus b fourth can also be written as a square minus b square into a square plus b square. Yes or no? So this can be written as cosec square theta minus cot square theta into cosec square theta plus cot square theta. Sir, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta plus cot square theta is given as 1 by 3. So this value is equal to 1 by 3. Option C is the right answer. See how simple is this? This is a SSC Cgl 2022 question. Clear? Yes or no? Got it? Sorted? Next. The value of sine 18 degree is given as root 5 minus 1 by 4. What is cosec 18? Sir, cosec 18 degree can be written as 1 by sine 18 degree. So this is 1 by root 5 minus 1 by 4, or I can write 4 by root 5 minus 1. Now if I multiply root 5 plus 1 on the upper part and lower part, what it will be? Sir, 4 into root 5 plus 1 divided by a minus b into a plus b. So a square, that is root 5 square is equal to 5 minus b square. Sir, 5 minus 1 4 into 4 crossed out. Answer is root 5 plus 1, that is equal to option D. Clear? Yes or no? Sorted? So this is how you can directly find the answers. Got it? Next. Now in this question it is said 1 plus cot theta plus cos theta by root cot theta minus cos theta. What is the value? Sir, let's write 1 plus cos theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta divided by cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta. You can do this way, or the best part is you can simply write this way. You can simply write it this way. Sir, here we can see that directly we can see cos will be common. So on the upper part cos is taken out. What is remaining? 1 by sin theta plus 1 divided by, here cos is taken out. So 1 by sin theta minus 1, because cos will crossed out in the upper part. So this whole thing is 1 plus square root of 1 by sin theta plus 1 divided by 1 by sin theta minus 1. So this is can be written as 1 plus sin theta by sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta by sin theta. Sin theta crossed out, square root there, 1 plus is given. Yes or no? Yes. Now this whole thing can be written as 1 plus, sir, if I multiply 1 plus sine theta over here, and if I multiply 1 plus sine theta over here, what it will look like? It will be 1 plus sine theta whole square divided by 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta, square root of that. So this can be written as 1 plus sine theta by cos theta. So this can be written as 1 plus 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta, sine theta plus cos theta is equal to tan theta. So what is the value? 1 plus sec theta by tan theta. Now either you can do all this thing or you can remember simply this fact. 1 plus sine theta by 1 minus sine theta square root is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. If it is given as 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta square root, it will be sec theta minus tan theta. Or if it is given as 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta square root, it will be cosec theta plus cot theta. Or if it is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta square root, then it is cosec theta minus cot theta. Clear? If you remember this, you do not have to go through these steps. You can directly answer from here. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Tell me. Got it? Now, sine A by 1 minus cos A plus 1 minus cos A by sine A divided by cot square A by 1 plus cos A. Sir, let's take A is equal to 45 degree. So sine A is equal to 1 by root 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 minus cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 divided by cot square A, that is 1, divided by 1 plus root 2 plus 1. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, here it can be written as 1 by root 2 divided by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Root 2 crossed out plus same root 2 crossed out. This will be root 2 minus 1 by 1. Yes or no? And in this part it will be 1 plus root 2 divided by 1 plus root 2. Sir, here this is 1 by root 2 minus 1. This is 1 by root 2 plus 1. So root 2 minus 1 in the denominator, 1 plus root 2 minus 1 whole square divided by 2 plus root 2 divided by 1 plus root 2. Clear? So this whole thing can be written as 1 plus 2 minus 1 means 1. I am opening 2 minus 1 whole square minus 2 root 2 divided by root 2 minus 1 multiplied by 1 plus root 2 divided by 2 plus root 2. Clear? Sir, 2 plus root 2, if I take root 2 common over here, it will be root 2 plus 1. So this whole thing crossed out. So what is remaining out of this? Out of this it will be 1 by root 2. This whole thing will be 1 by root 2. So this whole thing can be written as 1 plus 2 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 2 root 2 divided by root 2 minus 1 into 1 by root 2. Sir, this can be written as, if I take 2 common, 2 minus root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 minus root 2, root 2 crossed out 2. So the solution is equal to what? 2. That is option D. Clear? Basic. Because we just need to find what? We just need to find the answer by putting the value of A and solve it. Or you can always take in this question 3, 4, 5 as the answer. 3P, 4B, 5H. So in case of sin A, you can write 3 by 5. In case of cos A, you can write 4 by 5. In case of cot square A, you can write P by B, B by P, that is 4 by 3 whole square, and find the answer. You can do that way as well. That is your homework. You can try it that way. Or you can directly put the value of A and find the answer. Clear? Next. Sir, sin A into sin A by cos A plus cos A into 1 plus cos A by sin A is equal to what? Sir, this thing can be written as sin A into, this is cos A plus sin A divided by cos A plus cos A into sin A plus cos A divided by sin A. Or sir, this whole thing can be written as, if I take cos A plus sin A together, this is tan A plus, or let's keep it as it is, this is written as sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. So this can be written as cos A plus sin A multiply by sin square A plus cos square A divided by cos A into sin A. So this part is 1. So the whole thing is cos A plus sin A divided by cos A into sin A, or here it will be cos A by cos A into sin A plus sin A by cos A into sin A. Sin A crossed out, cos A crossed out. 1 by sin A is equal to cosec A. 1 by cos A is equal to sec A. Answer option A, sec A plus cosec. Or what we can do, we can directly use the formula of A is equal to 45 degree. Sir, sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. So tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So this is 2 into sin A, that is 1 by root 2, plus cos A, that is 1 by root 2, plus 1 by cot, that is 2. So root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2. So answer is 2 root 2. Use the same thing in here, you will get the answer 2 root 2. So option A is the right answer. Either you can solve it or you can directly put the value and find the answer. Clear? I would suggest to use the value always rather than going through the traditional method. If in value you are getting any error or you have to try something else, then you can go for this whole thing. Okay, sorted. Next. Now this is an interesting question. It has given 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. So this can be written as sec theta minus cosec theta plus cosec theta minus cot theta. This can be written as cosec theta plus cot theta. I have told this in the previous slides. Minus sec theta plus tan theta can be written as minus sec theta minus tan theta, or this will be minus sec theta plus tan theta, because of if we remove the brackets. Now minus cosec plus cosec crossed out, minus sec plus sec crossed out. What is remaining? Sir, cot theta plus tan theta. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, cot theta plus tan theta can also be written as cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta. So this can be written as cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta, which is equal to 1 by sin theta into cos theta, or cosec theta into sec theta. Answer sec theta into cosec theta, that is option A. Clear? Basic, or you can directly use the volume. Sorted? Now next. Sir, cos A by 1 minus tan A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A minus sin A is given. Sir, 1 minus tan A, it is given. So what I will do, sir? Sir, I will take A is equal to, let's say if I take 45 degree, this will be 1 minus 1 0. So my whole calculation will be an error. So other than taking 45, let's say A is equal to 30 degree, because I need to solve the whole thing. So cos 30 degree is equal to what? Sir, cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 minus 1 by tan 30, so that is 1 by root 3, plus sin 30, that is 1 by 2, divided by cot 30, that is 1 minus root 3, minus sin 30, that is 1 by 2. So here it is root 3 by 2 divided by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 into 1 minus root 3. minus 1 by 2. Now what will happen? This root 3 will go to the upper side. So this will be root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 into root 3 minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 minus root 3 minus 1 by 2. Sir, this thing I can make it equal by taking minus out. So this can be written as 3 by 2 into root 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 into root 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. Or this whole thing, if I solve it, I will get 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 2 into root 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. 2 crossed out. So here it will be 2 into root 3 minus 1 into 2 minus root 3 minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So on the upper part it is 3 minus root 3. On the lower part it is 2 root 3 minus 1. Yes or no? Yes. Now on the upper part, if I take root 3 common, it will be root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 into root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 crossed out. Answer root 3 by 2. So if I check same thing over here, I should get what? Root 3 by 2. Now sir, cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. So answer is option C. Directly I can find the answer. I do not have to do anything else. I can directly find the answer over here. Sorted? Yes or no? Got it? Next. Sir, cosec theta by cosec theta minus 1 plus cosec theta by cosec theta minus 1. Now, what I have told you. Sir, cosec theta minus 1, cos theta minus 1. This thing can be written as cosec theta into cos 1 by cosec theta minus 1 is equal to. In order to solve that, what I can do? So, let's not do this. Let's take the sum of this. That is cosec theta plus 1 into cosec theta minus 1. Here it will be cosec theta into cosec theta plus 1 plus cosec theta into cosec theta minus 1 minus tan square theta. Sir, this whole thing is equal to cosec square minus cosec square plus 1 into cosec square minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. If I take cosec theta common, it will be cosec theta plus 1 plus cosec theta minus 1 plus 1 crossed out. So 2 cos theta into cos theta is equal to minus tan square theta as it is. 2 cosec square theta. Cot square theta can be written as tan square theta minus tan square theta. Now here cosec square theta is equal to 2 into 1 by sin square theta into tan square theta is equal to sin square theta by cos square theta. Sin square theta crossed out minus tan square theta. Sir, this is 2 into 1 by sin cos square theta, that is equal to 2 sec square theta minus tan square theta. Or I can write sec square theta plus sec square theta minus tan square theta. Sir, sec square theta plus minus tan square theta is equal to 1 plus sec square theta. So the value is sec square theta plus 1, that is option B. Clear? You can directly find your answer from over here. Got it? So this is how you can directly solve this question, and this whole class is all about solving such type of questions. Getting my point? Next. Sir, it is saying sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Then if sec theta is equal to what? It is asking if sec theta plus tan theta is given this much, then what is the value of sec theta? Now it is very simple, sir. How to solve it? That is the crux over here. Now understand this. Sir, I know sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, if sec theta plus tan theta is P, so sec theta minus tan theta will be 1 by sec theta plus tan theta, which is equal to 1 by P. This was given P. Now if I add both, plus tan theta crossed out, so 2 sec theta is equal to P plus 1 by P. Yes or no? Now 2 sec theta is this much, so sec theta is equal to half into P plus 1 by P. This will be the answer. That is option D is the right answer. Yes or no? Yes. Simple. Very realistic questions. You just have to use it in the proper sense. Getting my point? Next. Sir, sec square theta plus tan square theta is equal to 25 by 18. What is sec square theta plus tan 4 theta? Sir, very silly question. And it was asked in CGL 2023. Sir, sec 4 theta minus tan 4 theta can be written as sec square theta minus tan square theta into sec square theta plus tan square theta. Sir, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 multiplied by sec square theta into tan square theta is 25 by 18. So the right answer is 25 by 18. That is option D. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Next. Sir, cosec theta minus cot theta is 7 by 2. Sir, you told us cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 7 by 2. Also, you have told us cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta minus cot theta, which is equal to 1 by 7 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 7. Sir, if I add both, cot theta will crossed out. So 2 cosec theta is equal to 7 by 2 plus 2 by 7, 14 LCM, 7 7s are 49 plus 4, that is 53 by 14. 2 cosec theta is this much. So cosec theta is 53 by 14 into 1 by 2, or I can write 53 by 28 as the answer. That is option C. See, you can solve 1000 number of questions like this. Ultimately, it is about how we are solving it. So these trigonometric identities chapters are all about this sort of things. How many questions you solve, that does not matter. It is about, are you able to see the pattern? How will we be seeing this pattern? By solving the questions I am giving you in the practice set. If you are able to solve those things, it will be easier for you to solve the whole thing, understand this pattern and approach the question. What we learn in trigonometric identities? Either we will be using the value of theta, or we will be using 3, 4, 5 as PBH, or we will be simplifying the whole thing and find the answer. Clear? See, till now we used to see different formulas, and yes, after this class also there are few formulas left. We will be covering that, but this is a particular condition. Okay, so what is this condition? The condition is, if it is written like this, A sin theta plus B cos theta is equal to X, and it is written that A sin theta minus B cos theta is equal to Y. Then remember this, A square plus B square is equal to X square plus Y square. What is AB? Coefficient of sin theta and coefficient of cos theta. What is X square B square? The total value of A sin theta plus B cos theta and A sin theta minus B sin. Sorry, I made a mistake. It is A cos theta minus B sin theta. Just a minute. Okay. Now, this will be the value because it should be changed in the next option. Okay. Or if it says, this is the first condition, or if it says that A sin theta plus B cos theta, then what will be its value? Now understand this, if it is written as A sin theta plus B cos theta, then it will be square root of A square plus B square. This is the maximum value one can get. This is the maximum value one can get of this equation. Clear? So let's start with a question. It is saying 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta is equal to 5. It is saying 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta is equal to 5. That means you should understand this sin theta's coefficient will be known as P. This cos theta's coefficient will be known as B. And this 5, whatever the value is, it will be known as hypotenuse H. here that I have told you, this is P, this is B, and this is H. If an expression is written like this, then you will be taking it as PBH. Now, if P is 3, B is 4, H is 5, then tan theta is equal to P by B, which is equal to 3 by 4. Answer. Clear? Yes or no? Got it? Next. It is saying 12 sin theta plus 35 cos theta is equal to 37. That means, sir, P is equal to 12, B is equal to 35, H is equal to 37. Sir, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Sir, sin theta I know is P by H, so cosec theta is H by P. Okay, so what is H? 37. What is P? 12. Answer 37 by 12, option B. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Now, next question. It is saying a square minus 1 sin theta, 2a cos theta is equal to a square plus 1. Sir, H, sir, B, sir, P. Tan theta is equal to P by B. That means a square minus 1 by 2a. Option A. See, only understanding this concept, you can directly find out your answers. Clear? Now, sir, 3 sin x plus 4 cos x is equal to 2. Sir, find the value of 3 cos x minus 4 sin x. Now understand what we know. Sir, if it is written like this, 3 sin x plus 4 cos x equal to 2. 3 cos x minus 4 sin x equal to nothing. Let's say this is P. What we know? Sir, 3 square plus 4 square will be equal to 2 square plus P square. Yes or no? Yes. 3 square 9, 4 square 16 is equal to 4 plus P square. Sir, 16, 9, 25 minus 4 is equal to P square, or I can say, sir, P square is equal to 21. So P value is equal to square root of 21. So what is the value of this expression? Square root of 21. Simple calculation. That's all. Got it? Next. Sir, 2 cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. So what is 2 sin theta cos theta? Now here understand this. Here A is what? You need to understand, sir, here A is 2. B is 1. B is 1. It is the first expression. It is the second expression. So what I need to do, sir, I know A square plus B square is equal to this value plus this value. That is x square plus y square. Sir, here A square 2 square, B square 1 square equal to x square unknown, y square given 1 by root 2 whole square. Sir, this is 4 plus 1 is equal to x square plus 1 by 2. Sir, 5 minus 1 by 2 will be what? X square. That means, sir, x square is equal to 10 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 9 by 2. So what is the value of x? Sir, square root of 9 by 2, which can be written as 3 by root 2. My bad. Which will be 3 by root 2. Simple calculation. I am not explaining this whole thing because it is basic. We know, sir, this is the formula we know. A sin theta plus B cos theta is equal to x. A cos theta minus B sin theta is equal to y. So what is the value? A square plus B square is equal to x square plus y square. We just implemented this formula. Clear? Next, ensure that these coefficients are equal in all cases. Otherwise, you won't be able to make this calculation. Now, it is saying cos A plus cos square A is equal to 1. What is the value of sin 4th and sin 6th? Now understand this. Cos A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Sir, if I take cos square A to this side, it will be what? Sin square A. Now sin square A is cos A. So, sir, sin 4th A will be sin square A whole square, which is equal to cos A whole square, which is equal to cos square A. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, sin 6th A is equal to sin square A to the power 3, which is equal to cos A to the power 3. Yes or no? Yes. That means this will be cos QA. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Now, sir, in this question it is written as what is the value of sin 4th A plus sin 6th A? Sir, that here I can write sin 4th A is equal to cos square A plus sin 6th A is equal to cos QA. Now from both this, I will take cos A common. What will be remaining? Sir, cos A plus cos square A. Now what is the value of cos A plus cos square A? 1. So it will be cos A multiplied by 1, which is equal to cos A. Answer B. Now someone will say, sir, how to understand why this is happening? What is this all about? How can I solve it? What I can do about it? See, understand this. All these things will come to you in your experience. Okay. How long you will be solving the classroom set, then you will be solving the practice set, then you will understand how to approach each and every question. Trigonometry is all about finding out the right way to solve a question. There is no hardened bent rule method that you have to be follow. You have to do it this way. It is all about your common sense that is coming out in the picture and you are solving the whole question. Okay, so be prepared like this. It is all about the mental game that you do. Okay, it is saying if sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1, then what is its value? Very simple. Sir, sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. It can be written as sine theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta, which is equal to cos square theta. So either sine theta is equal to cos square theta or cos square theta is equal to sine theta. Yes or no? Now here it is asking what is the value of cos 12 theta plus 3 cos 10 theta plus 3 cos 8 theta plus cos 6 theta minus 1. Yes or no? Yes. Now, sir, here in place of cos 12 theta, if cos square theta is sine theta, cos 12 theta will be sine to the power 6 theta, because to the power 6 power if I take, I will get cos 12 theta here, it will be sine 6 theta plus 3 cos 10 theta, it will be power of 5 theta plus 3 cos 8 theta, it will be power of 4 theta, cos 6 theta, it will be power of sine q theta. Yes or no? Yes. Now if I look at this expression, I will understand, sir, this is about sine theta plus sine square theta cube. Now try this. Sine theta cube is equal to sine cube theta. Sine square theta cube is equal to sine 6 theta plus 3a square b. 3a square b. So 3 sine square theta into b sine square theta is equal to 3 sine 4 theta. Now 3ab square. So 3 sine theta into 3 sine square theta whole square, that is sine 4 theta, which is equal to 3 sine 5 theta. So this is what? A minus b whole cube minus 1 already there. Now this value is equal to what? 1. 1 cube minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. Answer option D. Clear? Yes or no? Got it? Now, sir, tan A plus cot A is equal to 2. Sir, tan A plus cot A equal to 2. That means, sir, tan A plus 1 by tan A equal to 2. Now, what I have told you in algebra, sir, x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. That means x is equal to 1. So, here, what is the value of tan A? Sir, tan A value is equal to 1. So, if the question is tan to the power 10A plus cot to the power 10A given, I can write it as tan to the power 10A plus 1 by tan to the power 10A. Now 1 power 10, here it will be 1 by 1 power 10. So this is 1 plus this is 1, which is equal to 2. Answer option B. We have solved the same question in our last class. Yes or no? No. See, same question. Sin theta plus cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. That means sin theta value will be 1. So here it will be 1, here it will be 1. Direct answer 2. Clear? Because it was the same question. Same here. Sin theta plus cosec theta is equal to 1 by 2. That means sin theta is 1. So 1 to the power 9 plus 1 to the power 9 is equal to 2. This sort of question should be solved without any thought. Without any thought. Clear? Yes or no? Now, let me give you a tricky question. It is saying tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. What is the value of tan to the power n theta plus cot to the power n theta? Sir, simple thing we know, tan theta plus cot theta is written as 1 by tan theta, which is equal to 2. That means tan theta is equal to 1. So if the question is asked what is tan to the power n theta plus cot to the power n theta, You will write, sir, tan to the power n theta is tan to the power n theta divided by 1 to the power 1 by tan to the power n theta. Now whatever the value of a n is given, that does not matter here. Why we should be worried about what is n, how to do it, how to solve it? We do not care, because 1 to the power n will always get me 1 divided by 1 to the power n. So this is equal to 1 plus this is equal to 1, which is 2. Answer 2. So be conceptually clear. Now someone will say, sir, if questions are, seeing this question, I'm getting tricky. That means you are having undue pressure on yourself. You are not reading the question. You are not understanding the question. Don't get terrified by just looking at the question. Why? It is not mandatory that everything should look familiar to you in your examination. No, but the concept should be familiar to you. So when you reading the question, you understand the question. What is this question all about? How to tackle this question? So be prepared accordingly. Clear? In trigonometric identities, we learnt about sine square a plus cos square, sine square a plus cos square is equal to 1. We learn about if I plus b is equal to 90 degree, then how it will play out, multiplication of sine, multiplication of cos, multiplication of cot, then sine minus cos, whatever we learn till in a different manner. But this, what I will be teaching you right now, it is the most important part. Okay, when I'm saying most important part, you should not be worried about it. Why? Because I know what should be given to you, so that you will be able to remember all this fact and process all this fact. Now understand, till date we used to learn what? Sine a plus b is equal to sine a plus cos b plus sine b plus cos into cos a. That much we learn. Now here it will come, sir, what is sine 2a? Sir, sine 2a can be written as sine a plus a. Now sine a plus a can be written as, sir, sine a into cos a, this is my b now, plus cos a into sine a. Now this whole thing can also be written as 2 sine a into cos a. So whenever it is a sine 2a, you will directly answer what? 2 sine a into cos a. Remember it. Also with this, remember a tan formula. See, what I am telling you, what is the relation between sine 2a with tan? So sine 2a is equal to also 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay, so if tan and sine relation has been asked, or a question is there to answer sine and tan, you can use this formula. Now if in case of sine 2a it is written as sine a only, then what? See, sine a means what? Sine a by 2 plus a by 2. Yes or no? Yes. That means the answer will be 2 sine a by 2 into cos a by 2. And here it will be 2 tan a by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square a by 2. Simple? Yes or no? Simple, sorted, right? Now we learn about sine. Let's say, what is about cos 2a? See, cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sine square a. See, if I say cos square a plus sine square a, it is 1. Cos square a minus sine square, it is cos 2a. Or this can also be written as 2 cos square a minus 1. How? Sir, sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. So if I take out the minus, it will be minus 1 plus cos square a. So it will be 2 cos square a minus 1. Or this can also be written as 1 minus 2 sine square a. By opening up this, sir, cos square is equal to 1 minus sine square a. So now 1 minus sine square a minus sine square a. What it will get me? 1 minus 2 sine square a. And it can be also written as 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. That's it. That's it. So first thing we learn what is sine 2a. Then we learn what is cos 2a. Clear? Now some small version of question. Now before I start with the small, let's understand what is tan 2a. So tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Now when I say this, remember this, tan a plus b formula is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay. And what is the formula for cot 2a? Sir, cot 2a formula will be reverse of this. Reverse means, sir, cot square A minus 1 divided by 2 cot A. Sir, this can also be written as, sir, if we check what is the formula for cot A plus B, sir, it is cot A minus, multiply by cot B minus 1 divided by 2 cot A, cot A plus cot B. So now we learn what is the formula for tan A plus B, what is the formula for cot A plus B, what is tan 2A, what is cot 2A. Now you will ask, sir, what is tan A minus B, cot A minus B? Very simple. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. What is cot A minus B? Sir, it is cot A into cot B plus 1 divided by cot A minus cot B. Clear? So these are the formula you need to remember. That's why I told you in the beginning, this class will be a bit of formulas. Okay? Sorted? Now, two small formulas. If something is written like this, 1 minus cos 2a, then you will directly write 2 sine square a. 2 sine square a, because we know what? Sir, cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a. Yes or no? So this is vice versa. Okay? If it is written like this, 1 plus cos 2a, you will write 2 cos square a. Why? Sir, cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Clear? So this sort of question will come. This sort of question can be dealt this way. Okay? Now, what about, sir, sine 3a? So in case of sine 3a, remember this, it is 3 sine a minus 4 sine qa. Remember this formula. Very, very important. In most of the cases, this sort of direct question will come. Or what is cos 3a? So this is the reverse, 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a. See, it is really possible that you may get confused with the arrangement, but understand this, 3 sine 4 cos, 3 sine 4 cos q. Okay. Now, what will be tan 3a? So tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan qa divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Direct question will come in this question, in this, formulas, from these formulas. Now, cot 3a is equal to cot qa minus 3 cot a divided by 3 cot square a minus 1. Clear? These are the most important, most basic questions you will come across. So be prepared accordingly. Okay? You need to remember these formulas. Now, what you need to do? So when I will be moving through this whole chapter, when I will be solving the questions, you need to understand the approach, because you do not remember the formulas right now. Eventually you will learn it. So, but understand how I am approaching that question. Clear? Now, 2 cos square theta minus sine square theta is equal to 1. Sir, you told us cos square theta minus sine square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Either if it is a or theta or whatever it is given, that does not matter. Yes or no? So in this question, it will be what? 2 cos 2 theta is equal to 1. That means, sir, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. Sir, I know what is the degree value of cos, so that I will get 1 by 2. Sir, cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. That means, sir, 2 theta is equal to what? 60 degree. Sir, if 2 theta is 60 degree, then theta is equal to 60 by 2, that is 30 degree. It is asking what is the value of cot 30? Sir, cot 30 degree is equal to root 3. Answer option D. Are you getting the point? Direct formula based question. Okay, next. Sir, what is the value of sec square theta minus sine square in minus 2 sine 4 theta divided by 2 cos 4 minus cos square theta? Now, here we can't figure out something, but we can see, sir, let's keep sec square theta as it is minus. Here, I can take out sine square theta common. So, what is remaining? 1 minus 2 sine square theta, because sine square theta into sine square theta is equal to sine 4 theta, divided by, if I take cos square theta here, what will be here? Sir, it will be 2 cos square theta, because cos square theta cos 4 into 2 minus 1. Now, sir, 1 minus 2 sine square theta is equal to cos 2 theta minus sine square theta into 1 minus 2 sine square theta is equal to cos 2 theta divided by cos square theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to cos 2 theta. Now cos 2 theta crossed out. What is remaining? Sir, sec square theta minus sine square theta by cos square theta is equal to tan square theta. Sir, we know sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So the value of this whole question is equal to 1. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Next. Sir, it is saying what is the simplification of this following equation? Sir, very simple. Here sin theta minus 2 sin q theta, 2 cos theta, cos q theta minus cos theta. On the upper part, I will take sin theta common. What is remaining? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. On the lower part, I will take cos theta common. What will be remain? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now, 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta is cos 2 theta. So, they both will crossed out. What is remaining? Sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta. Answer within 10 seconds. Getting it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Got it? Got the idea? Now, next. Sir, what is the value of square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus cos 8 theta? Square root of 2 plus cos 8 theta. Now understand. Very simple thing. Very simple thing to answer. Sir, I know that. Sir, I know that. In such questions, what I need to do? Sir, it is quite simple. I think there is 2 missing here. There should be a 2 over here. Otherwise, it will be not calculated this way. Now, if a question is written like this, then it will be, sir, I have to simply find it out. I'm not writing the first 3 things, okay? I'm just taking this. Sir, square root of 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, if I take 2 common over here, it will be 1 plus cos 8 theta. Yes or no? Yes or no? Sir, I know if it is written as cos 2 theta, it can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Sir, if it is written as cos 4 theta, it can be written as 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1, because whatever it is given here it is half of that. So if it is 4 theta, it will be 2 theta. Or if it is written as cos 8 theta, it will be 2 cos square 4 theta minus 1. Or I can write 2 cos square 4 theta is equal to 1 plus cos 8 theta. Yes or no? Yes. So in this case, I can directly write what? Sir, 2 into 1 plus cos 8 theta, that is 2 cos square 4 theta square root of that. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Now, ahead of this, what is given? Sir, plus 2 square root of that plus 2 square root of that. Yes or no? Yes. Now, sir, square root of this whole thing will be what? So let's write 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 to 4 square root is 2. Cos square theta square root is cos 4 theta. Yes or no? Yes. Now, square root of 2 plus square root of 2 common in both cases. What is remaining? 1 plus cos 4 theta. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, here I know cos 4 theta is equal to 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1. So I can write 2 cos square 2 theta is equal to 1 plus cos 4 theta. Yes or no? Yes. So in this case, I can write what? Sir, this will be root 2 plus 2 into 2 cos square 2 theta. Now sir, 2 2s are 4, cos square 2 theta, square root of that will be 2 plus 2 into cos 2 theta, square root of that. Now again I will take 2 common, what is remaining? 1 plus cos 2 theta, square root of that. Sir, this can be written as 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta, square root of that. That means 2 to 4, square root of that is 2 into cos square theta, square root is cos theta. So what is the answer? Answer is sir 2 cos theta. Option A. Remember this. Now if the question is written like this, root 2 plus root 2 plus up to n times, okay, plus two cos x theta, if it is written like this. Now this has been repeated n times, okay, here it is 2. Now you will solve it directly. 2 into cos x theta divided by 2 to the power n. As many times n will be there, as many times 2 will be there, we will directly write it here. Now how to solve it? Sir, here in this question, answer will be 2 into cos x theta, that is 8 theta, divided by how many times 2 are there? 1, 2 and 3. So it is 2 to the power 3. That means 2 into cos 8 theta by 8. 8 crossed out, so answer is 2 cos theta. What do we find out? Answer is 2 cos theta. Now if in this case, here it was 32 theta, then what we would have done? Sir, then the answer would have been 2 cos 32 theta divided by 8. 8 4 is 32, so answer is 2 cos 4 theta. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? So whenever you will encounter a question like this, you need to apply this formula. What is this formula? The formula is 2 into cos x theta divided by 2 to the power n. N means how many times square root 2 has been added. You should not consider these two. You should only consider everything out apart from these two. Okay. So this is the direct formula you can use and find the answer. Clear? Next. Sir, 2 tan a plus 1 plus tan square a. Sir, 2 tan a plus 1 plus tan square is equal to what? Sir, very simple. I know sine 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Answer sine 2a. Clear? Sorted? Next. What is the value of sine 4 theta by 1 minus cos 4 theta? 1 minus cos 4 theta. Sir, sine 4 theta, it can also be written as 2 sine 2 theta into cos 2 theta divided by 1 minus cos 4 theta, it can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square 2 theta. Yes or no? Yes. Now sir, this whole thing can also be written as sine 2 theta can be written as this way, sir. 2 sine 2 theta minus multiply by cos 2 theta divided by 1 minus 1 plus 2 sine square 2 theta. 1 minus 1 0. Sir, here what is remaining? 2 crossed out. Sine 2 theta. Here it is sine square 2 theta. 1 sine 2 theta crossed out. What is remaining? Cos 2 theta by sine 2 theta, which is equal to cot 2 theta. Answer option B. Yes or no? Yes or no? Simple as it is. We should simplify it. And this was a CHSL question. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Clear? Next. Sir, what is the value of cos square 15? Now, most of you, when you see such question, you will be terrified. You will be terrified. Why? Because you do not know how to approach this question. How to approach this question? Sir, I know the value of cos 0, cos 30 degree, cos 45 degree, cos 60 degree, cos 90 degree. Now if questioner will ask something like this, that means you should be able to answer that question yes or no. Yes. Sir, let's take cos 30 degree. Sir, if I write cos 30 degree, it can also be written as cos 2 into 15 degree. Yes or no? That means this is cos 2 theta. Sir, if this is cos 2 theta, I can write it as 2 cos square theta. That means here it is 15 degree minus 1. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, what is the value of cos 30 degree? It is root 3 by 2. Yes or no? Yes. That means, sir, 2 cos square 15 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 plus 1. That can be written as root 3 plus 2 by 2. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 2 cos square 15 degree is this much. Only cos square 15 degree will be root 3 plus 2 divided by 2 into 2, that is 4. Yes or no? Yes. Now, cos square this much is this. Sir, cos. Okay, here it has asked about cos square 15 degree. So answer is root 3 plus 2 by 4. That is option B. Clear? If it asks what is cos 15 degree, if it is asked what is cos 15 degree, you will simply take the square root of root 3 plus 2 divided by 4, or you can write square root of root 3 plus 2 divided by 2. Clear? Yes or no? Got it? So this is how you can simply answer the questions. You can simply answer the questions. Sorted? Now, here, can we use some algebraic ideas and solve it further? Yes. Sir, if we multiply 4, if we multiply here without going to this point, if we do what? Sir, if we multiply 2 in the denominator and numerator, what it will be? Sir, it will be 2 root 3 plus 2 2s are 4 divided by 8 square root of that. Now on the upper part, it can be written as 2 into root 3 into 1 plus root 3 square plus 1 square. Yes or no? Because root 3 square is 3, 1 square is 1, 3 plus 1 4, 2 into root 3 into 1 is equal to 2 root 3 square root of that divided by 8 square root. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, this is 2ab plus a square plus b square. So this whole thing can be written as a plus b whole square divided by 8 square root of that, or this can be written as root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. If it asks about cos 15 degree, you can answer it this way. Or if it asks about only cos square 15 degree, you can directly answer it. You can directly answer it. Sorted? Yes or no? Yes. Now, remember this part as well. It may help you in many questions. If this is a right angle triangle, okay, this is 90 degree, this angle is 75 degree, and this angle is 15 degree. Okay, so the value will be, the perpendicular will be root 3 minus 1, this side will be root 3 plus 1, and this side hypotenuse will be 2 root 2. This is the analogy you should be able to remember. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Yes. Next. Sir, what is the value of cosec 15 degree and sec 15 degree? Now, what I told you, sir, in this triangle, let me draw it properly. Sir, in this triangle, this is a right angle triangle, this is 90 degree, this is 75 degree, this is 15 degree. So this will be root 3 minus 1, this will be root 3 plus 1, this will be 2 root 2. Now it is asking about 15 degree, that means this is P, this is B, this is H. Sir, cosec 15 means H by P. So cosec 15 degree multiply by sec 15 degree, it has asked. That means, sir, cos, that means 2 root 2 by 3 root 3 minus 1 multiply by sec 15 means, sir, it is H by B, that is 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1. Sir, 2 root 2 and 2 root 2 is equal to 8, because 2 2s are 4, root 2 root 2 2 divided by a minus b, a plus b. So it will be a square minus b square. That can be written as 8 by root 3 square 3 minus 1 square 1, that is equal to 8 by 2. 2 4s are 8. Answer is equal to option B, that is 4. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Sorted? Or you could have answered it this way also. Now understand this. Sir, it is written cosec 15 by sec 15. Sir, this can be also written as 1 by sine 15 degree into cos 15 degree, yes or no? Now if I multiply 2 on both sides, what it will be? 1 into 2 is equal to 2 divided by 2 sin a cos a, that is sin 2 theta, that is 2 into 15, that is 30 degree. Sir, 2 sin theta, 2 by sin theta here. Sir, sin theta value is 1 by 2. So it will be upper side. So it will be 2 into 2, that is 4. You can answer it this way as well. Clear? You can answer it any way you want. Sorted? Next. What is the value of the expression 10 multiplied by sin 15 into cos 15 degree? Now understand. 100, sorry. 100 multiplied by sin 15 degree into cos 15 degree. Sir, very simple. If I write it as 50 into 2 into sin 15 degree into cos 15 degree, I could have write it this way because 15 into 2 is equal to 100. Sir, this can be written as 15 into sin 2 theta. That means sin 2 into theta, that is 30 degree. Sir, sin 2 theta, 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Sir, 2 into 25 is equal to 50. So the answer is 25, option D. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Now, sir, it is written 1 minus tan square 22.5 degree divided by 1 plus 22.5 degree. Sir, this is what? 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. That is equal to cos 2 into theta. That is 22 1 by 2 degree. Sir, this is cos 45 degree. Sir, the value of cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Answer option B. Clear? Yes or no? Sorted? Next. See, I told you, right? Direct questions are coming in SSC examination. See, direct formula of sin 3a. 3 sin a minus 4 sin qa. That is sin 3a. 2 number. This is 2 marks question. If it asked about cos 3a, it would be 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a. Clear? I teach only the concepts, the way you will get better in mathematics and the way you will get full score in mathematics. Don't worry about it. Sorted? Yes or no? Yes. Now, sir, if sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, what is the value of 3 cos theta and minus 4 cos q theta? Now understand. 3 cos theta minus 4 cos q theta is equal to cos 3 theta. First of all, sir, sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Sir, the value 1 by 2 is equal to sin 30 degree because sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. That means theta is 30 degree. So cos theta is equal to 3 into 30 degree. That means cos 90 degree and its value is 0. Option A. Clear? CGL 2022 question. Got it? Yes or no? Sorted? Next. What will be the value of sin 10 degree minus 4 by 3 sin cube theta? Now you will be, sir, how can we answer this question? This sort of question are being asked in CGL. What to do, sir? Very simple, sir. Sir, it is written sin 10 degree minus 4 by 3 sin 10 degree. Sir, if I take in this particular question 3 as the LCM, it will be 3 sin 10 degree minus 4 sin cube 10 degree. Yes or no, sir? Yes, sir. Now 3 sin 10 degree minus 4 sin cube 10 degree is equal to sin 3 theta, that is 3 into 10, that is sin 30 degree divided by 3. Sir, sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 divided by 3. Sir, this can be written as 1 by 6. Answer option B. Clear as it is. Simple as it is. That's all. I do not need to do anything else about this particular question. Sorted? Yes or no? Next question. Sir, what is the value of sin A plus B? We know from the beginning. Sir, it is sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Option B. Clear? Now, it is saying, sir, sin A is this much, sin B is this much. It is saying sin A is this much and sin B is this much. What is the value of sin A minus B? Now understand this. Let's say this is a triangle, okay? And in this triangle, this angle is A. And A is saying that sin P by B. So this is P, B, H, P by H, 4, 5. That means by default in this triangle B is 3 because of the Pythagoras triplet. Yes or no? Yes. So here sin A value is 4 by 5. Cos A value will be 3 by 5. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now in another triangle it is saying, sir, this angle is B. And here this is 15 H is 17 because same thing P, H and B. Sir, this is also a Pythagoras triplet. Sir, if this is 15, this is 17, this will be definitely 8 because of Pythagoras triplet. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, here it is saying sine B value is equal to 15 by 17. What will be the value of cos B? B by H, that is 18, 8 by 17. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, it is asking about the value of sine A minus B. Sir, sine A minus B is equal to, you have told us, sine A into cos B minus cos A into sine B, right? Sir, sine A value 4 by 5, cos B value 8 by 17, minus cos A value 3 by 5, sine B value 15 by 17. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 17 into 5 is 85, 17 into 5 is 85. So this is 85, 8 into 4, 32. Minus 17 5 is 85, 15 into 3, 45. Now answer will be 85, 32 minus 45, which is equal to minus 13 by 85. Answer option B. Clear? You understand the approach over here? See, this is the most important part. If you understand this approach, you do not need to do anything else. You do not need to do anything. That's what that means. Sir, I know sine A. What I will do? Sir, I know cos square A is equal to 1 minus sine square A. Cos A is equal to square root of 1 minus sine square A. Then I will do 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square. Then it is equal to 1 minus 16 by 25 whole square. That is equal to 25 minus 16 by 25 whole square. That is equal to 9 by 25 whole square. That is equal to 3 by 5. Sir, cos A is equal to 3 by 5. Now doing all this Mahabharata Ramayana, you can simply use this logic and find the answer. Getting the point? Yes or no? Sorted? Next. Sir, what is the value of cos 45 degree and sine 15 degree? Sir, what is the value of cos 45 and sine 15? Sir, you have told us if this is a triangle, right angle triangle, this is 75 degree, this is 15 degree, this will be root 3 minus 1, this will be root 3 plus 1, this will be 2 root 2. So sine 15 degree means P by H. So that is means root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Sir, that can be written as root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. So answer option B. Clear? Yes or no? Tell me quickly. Sorted? Next. Sir, what is the value of sine 75 by sine 15? Very simple, sir. Same triangle we will be drawing because that is the most important triangle over here. 75 degree, 15 degree. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1. 2 root 2. Sir, sine 15 means this is P, this is B, this is H, sorry, this is B, this is H. So, sir, sine 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Sir, if it asks about sine 75 degree, now this is P, this is my B, this is H. So, sir, sine 75 degree is now what? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now, if I have to add both, it will be root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Sir, 2 root 2 is the LCM. Sir, this is root 3 minus 1 plus root 3 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 crossed out. So, this is 2 root 3 by 2 root 2. 2 crossed out. Answer square root of root 3 by 2. Option C. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Sorted? Next. Sir, what is the value of this? So you will say, sir, you have never told us such thing. What to do now? Sir, I am getting confused after seeing this question. Brother, I have told you cos x plus y, cos A plus B is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Now if I take minus 1 common, it will be, sir, sin A into sin B minus cos A into cos B, because minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus. I hope this much you are getting it after completing whole algebra. Yes or no? Yes. Now, sir, in this question it is saying sine 25 degree, sine 65 degree minus cos 25 degree into cos 65 degree. Sir, here I can directly write sine 25 degree into sine 65 degree minus cos 25 degree into cos 65 degree. That means this is equal to what? If I multiply minus 1 over here, or if I take it this way, cos a plus b divided by minus 1 is equal to this. Now this is a, this is b. So this is equal to cos 25 degree plus 65 degree divided by minus 1. Sir, cos 25 plus 65 is equal to cos 90. So cos 90 degree divided by minus 1 is equal to 0 by minus 1, which is equal to 0. Answer option C. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Next. Sir, using the formula cos A plus B, find the value of cos 75 degree. But why would I find this value? By using cos A plus B. I do not need to do that. I know what is the value of cos 75 degree. How? Sir, you have already told us if this is a equilateral, if this is a right angle triangle, this is 75 degree, this is 15 degree, this part will be root 3 minus 1, this part will be root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? Clear. Now it is asking about cos 75 degree. It is asking about cos 75 degree. If it is asking about this angle, this will be P, this will be B, this will be H. So cos 75 degree is equal to B by H. That means root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 is not in the option. So what to do? Sir, here 4 is in the denominator. So what I will do? I will multiply 2 root 2 into root 2 in the denominator, and I will multiply root 3 minus 1 with root 2. So in the denominator it will be 2 root 2 into root 2, root 2 root 2, 2, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. This will be root 3 into root 2 is equal to root 6 minus root 2. So answer is root 6 minus root 2 by 4, that is option C. Clear? CGL 2023 question that we are solving. Otherwise, what you could have done? Sir, it is about cos 75 degree. Sir, cos 75 degree is equal to cos 45 degree plus 30 degree. Now you would have used cos A plus B formula and find it. Or you know this, you are smarter than others, you will directly find the answer. Whatever the instruction is given, what to do with that? Your questioner will not, the exam answer key won't come that you have done the steps of cos 45 plus 30. So you will get a good mark in the steps. So I will answer it. No. Dear brother, it is your job to find the answer of cos 75 degree. You know this, you find the answer, that's it. No one is going to check what have you done. Okay, sorted. Next. Sir, what is the value of this much? Very simple. Sir, same triangle I will be drawing again and again and again. 75, 15. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1, 2 root 2. Sir, this is given. This is P, this is B. Sir, tan 15 degrees equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Now, how to solve it? Sir, very simple. If I multiply root 3 minus 1 on the denominator and in the numerator, it will be root 3 minus 1 whole square divided by root 3 plus 1, A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. A square is equal to 3 square is equal to 3, B square is equal to 1. This will be A minus B whole square, that is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So this can be written as 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2, or this can be written as 2 2s are 4 minus root 3. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, it is asking about tan 45 degree minus tan 15 degree. Sir, I know tan 45 degree is equal to what? 1. So I'll directly answer it. Sir, 1 minus 2 minus root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 into 2 minus root 3. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So this can be written as 1 minus 2 plus root 3 divided by 1 plus 2 minus root 3. So this can be written as 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 plus root 3 divided by 3 minus root 3. Sir, what I can do here? It can be written as root 3 minus 1 divided by, if I take root 3 common, it will be 1 minus, sorry, root 3 minus 1, my bad. Yes or no? Now root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 crossed out. Answer is 1 by root 3. Yes or no? Yes. Now who will do this? This will be done by someone who is really stupid. Why? Sir, this is a direct formula of tan 45 degree minus tan 15 degree divided by 1 plus tan 45 degree into tan 15 degree. That is tan 16 degree. Tan A plus B formula, sir. Sorry, tan A minus B formula. My bad. My bad. My bad. This is tan A minus B formula. Tan 30 degree. As simple as it is. Sir, tan 30 degree is equal to what? 1 by root 3. Sorted? Next. Sir, tan alpha plus beta is equal to A. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to B. Then what is the value? Sir, very simple. We need to see the logic. It is asking about what? Sir, tan 2 alpha. Sir, tan 2 alpha can also be written as tan alpha plus alpha minus beta. This and this. Yes or no? Because beta will crossed out. You will get tan 2 alpha. That means this and this addition will constitute this. So I can directly write, sir, tan alpha plus alpha minus beta will get me what? Tan 2 alpha. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, this also can be written as tan alpha plus tan alpha minus beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha plus beta into tan alpha minus beta. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, here what is given tan alpha plus beta? A. What is given tan alpha minus beta? B. Divided by 1 minus AB. Answer. 2023 CGL 2022 question. This is 2022 CGL question. Very simple, very basic if you remember the formulas. Clear? Sorted? Next. It is a very interesting question. It is asking, sir, if sin A plus B is equal to cos A plus B, what is the value of tan A? Sir, sin A plus B is equal to cos A plus B. Sir, that means I can write sin A plus B divided by cos A plus B is equal to 1. Yes or no? Sir, sin A plus B by cos A plus B can also be written as tan A plus B is equal to what? What is the value of 1? Sir, it is tan 45 degree. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Or I can keep it as 1. Now what is the formula of tan A plus B? Sir, the formula of tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B, which is equal to 1. Sir, this can also be written as tan A plus tan B is equal to, this will be multiply here, 1 minus tan A into tan B, because 1 into anything is equal to that thing. Now, sir, very simple. What I need to do? Sir, here 1 minus tan A, here tan A, I will take this to this side, plus tan A into tan B is equal to what? 1 minus tan B will come to this side. So 1 minus tan B. Or I can write, if I take tan A common over here, it will be 1 plus tan B is equal to 1 minus tan B. Or I can write tan A is equal to 1 minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan B. Answer option A. Simple simplification. That's all. We are not doing anything else. And this sort of question will be asked in SSC. So be prepared. This sort of question will come definitely. Okay. So get ready for this. Sorted? Now, in order to solve this question, remember this, and I have told you, if this is written as sin A plus sin B, answer will be 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. If it is written sin A minus sin B, it will be written as 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. If it is written cos A plus cos B, it will be 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Or if it is written cos A minus cos B, It will be written as, and this is most important because it is confusing, most important, 2 sine a plus b by 2 into sine b minus a by 2, or most of the time it is written as minus 2 into sine a plus b by 2 into sine a minus b by 2, because minus sine is equal to sine minus is equal to minus sine a. Okay, so here it has asked what is sine alpha minus sine beta. Sine a minus sine is equal to 2 sine cos a plus b by 2 sine a minus b by 2. That means 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into sine alpha minus beta by 2. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Sorted? Next. Sir, what is cos c minus cos d is equal to y? Sir, cos a minus cos b is equal to 2 sine a plus b by 2 into sine b minus a by 2, or minus 2 sine a plus b by 2 into sine a minus b by 2. So here C, D is given. So answer C is the right option. Clear? Next. Sir, cos 7x plus cos 5x divided by sine 7x by sine 5x. Sir, this can be written as cos a plus b, that is 2 into cos 7x plus 5x by 2 into cos 7x minus 5x by 2 divided by sine a minus b. So 2 into cos 7x plus 5x by 2 into sine 7x minus 5x by 2. 2 crossed out, cos 7x plus 5x, cos 7x plus 5x crossed out. So this can be written as tan, cos by sine is equal to cot 7x minus 5x, that is 2x by 2, or this can be written as cot 2 crossed out x. Answer option C. Clear? Sorted? So this is how you can directly answer these questions. Sorted? Next. Now, here it is an interesting question. It is saying what is sine x plus y plus sine y and sine x minus sine y divided by cos x plus cos y by cos x minus cos y. Sir, simply write sine a plus sine b, 2 sine a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 multiplied by sine a minus b, 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sine a minus b by 2 divided by cos a plus b. Sir, 2 into cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 multiplied by cos a minus b minus 2 into sine a plus b by 2 into sine a minus b by 2. Yes or no? Yes. 2 crossed out. 2 crossed out. Cos x plus y by 2, cos x plus y by 2 crossed out. Cos x minus y by 2, cos x minus y by 2 crossed out. Sin x plus y by 2, sin x plus y by 2 crossed out. Sin x minus y by 2, sin x minus y by 2 crossed out. What is remaining? 1 by minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. Answer option C. Did we find it interesting? Yes. This sort of question will come. So be prepared. That's why I'm teaching you exactly what is required for your selection. Sorted? Yes or no? Before I move, let's remember few things. Sir, if it is asking about sine a plus b multiply by sine a minus b, we will find out that it is equal to sine square a minus sine square b, or cos square b minus cos square a. Or if it asks about cos a plus b into cos a minus b, it is equal to cos square a minus sine square b, or cos square b minus sine square b. Sorry, this is sine square a, my bad. Clear? Now remember, this is 1, this is 2, remember 3. 2 sine a into cos b is equal to sine a plus b into plus sine a minus b. You can open it and find the answer, same answer. 2 cos a sine b is equal to sine a plus b minus sine a minus b, or 2 cos a into cos b is given. This means cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, or if it is written like this, 2 sine a into sine b, that means cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Remember these properties, these are really important for the upcoming questions. Okay, now what is the value of 2 cos 45 degree into sine 15 degree? 2 cos a into sine b is equal to, very simple sir, you have told us sine a plus b minus sine a minus b. That means sir, sine 45 plus 15 is equal to 60 degree minus sine 45 minus 15 is equal to 30 degree. That means root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, which can also be written as root 3 minus 1 by 2. Answer option C. Answer option C. Clear? Yes or no? Sorted? Next. Sir, cos 36 degree plus a into cos 36 degree minus a is equal to cos 54 degree plus a into cos 45 degree minus a. This is what it has given. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, very simple. How to do it? Sir, understand this. Cos 36 degree plus a. This can also be written as cos 90 degree minus 54 degree minus a. Yes or no? 90 degree minus 54 is equal to 36, minus a minus is equal to plus a. Now cos 90 degree minus some theta is equal to sine theta, that is sine 54 degree minus a. Now same thing I am saying that in this particular question it is given as cos 54 degree plus a. Sir, cos 54 degree plus a can also be written as cos 90 degree minus 36 degree minus a. Now cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sine theta, that is sine 36 degree minus a. Now why did I do this? See, the real motive behind this is, in place of this I will be writing what? Sine 54 degree minus a. This will be as it is, that is cos 36 degree minus a, plus in place of cos 54 degree I will be writing what? Sir, it will be sine 36 degree minus a, and this will be cos 54 degree minus a. Now let's say, sir, 54 degree minus a is equal to x, 36 degree minus a is equal to y. So this will be what? Sine x cos y plus sine y cos x. What is the formula of this? So this is equal to sine x plus y formula. That means sine 54 degree minus a plus 36 degree minus a formula. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, that means this is equal to sine 90 degree minus a into a is equal to a plus a is equal to 2a. Sir, sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos 2a. Answer cos 2a, option D. Why I did this? Because without doing this, it won't be possible to make it into one single entity. For that, to make it into one single entity, I have to do this. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Simple. Next. Sir, a plus b is equal to c. Then tan a into tan b into is equal to what? Sir, if a plus b is equal to c, that means tan a plus b is equal to tan c. That means, sir, tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b is equal to tan c. Now cross multiply here. So tan a plus tan b is equal to tan c multiply by 1 minus tan a into tan b, which also can be written as tan c minus tan a into tan b into tan c. Yes or no? Yes. Now I need this value. So what I will do, I will take it to this side. So that means tan a into tan b into tan c is equal to tan c. This will come to this side. So minus tan a. Tan c, this will come to this side. So tan a plus tan b is equal to tan c minus tan a into tan b. Which also can be written as tan c minus tan a into tan b into tan c. Yes or no? Yes. Now I need this value. So what I will do, I will take it to this side. So that means tan a into tan b into tan c is equal to tan c minus tan B. So what is the answer? Tan A into tan B into tan C is equal to tan C minus tan A minus tan B. Because here it is already given A plus B is equal to C. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Yes. Next. Sir, what is the value of cot 70? Sir, if cot 75 degree value is equal to 2 root 2 minus root 3, find the value of cot 15 degree. Sir, very simple. (75), 15, 90 degree. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1, 2 root 2. Yes or no, dear? Yes. Sir, this is asking about this. That means this is P, this is B. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sorry, this is asking about cot 15 degree. My bad. So this is cot 15 means this is P, this is B. Now cot 15 degree can be written as B by P. That means root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Sir, this can be also written as, if I multiply root 3 plus 1, root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 on the upper side also. It will be written as root 3 plus 1 whole square divided by A square, that is root 3 square 3, B square 1 square 1. So root 3 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 square plus 2 root 3 divided by 2, or this can be written as 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2, or this can be written as 2 common 2 plus root 3 by 2, 2 crossed out, answer 2 plus root 3. That is option B. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? So this is how you can directly find the answers as well. Getting my point? Yes or no? You do not need to use anything, any value. You do not need to do all those things. Okay? So be sure about it. Clear? Sorted? Next. Sir, find the value of 1 plus tan 10 degree into 1 plus tan 25 degree. Now understand this. If this is a formula you need to understand. If A plus B is equal to 45 degree or 225 degree, then 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to what? 2. Or 1 minus cot A into 1 minus cot B is equal to 2. Sir, here tan 30, tan 35. A plus B 45 degree. So 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to direct answer 2. Remember this, okay? Factual question. Sorted? Now. Sir, 1 plus tan this, 1 plus tan that. Now, let's add it, sir. 22 and a half, 22 and a half, 45 degree. X minus X crossed out, minus Y plus Y crossed out. That means 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B. That is equal to 2. Because A plus B is equal to 2. Clear? A plus B is equal to 45 degree. Sorted? Yes or no? Now, see. It is saying, sir, 1 plus tan 11 degree. 1 plus tan 21 degree. 1 plus tan 24 degree. 1 plus, just a minute, tan 34 degree. 1 plus tan 45 degree. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, if I take this is A and this is my B. So this will be 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan 24 degree is equal to 2. Now, sir, here it is 21, here it is 24. So if I multiply this both, what I will get? Sir, 45. So 21 plus 24 is equal to 45. So 1 plus tan A plus 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. Multiply by 1 plus 45 degree. That means 1 plus 1. Sir, that means 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 8. Yes or no? So what is the right answer? Answer 8. Here it must be 8. 8 is the right answer. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Yes or no? Got it? So this is how you can directly solve these questions. Okay? Now, the last part of the whole class. Why this thing has been repeated? Okay, this is a repeated question. Okay. Sir, sine 20 degree into sine 40 degree into sine 60 degree into sine 80 degree is equal to what? You need to remember this. You need to remember this. Okay. So if it is written as sine A into sine 2A into sine 4A, the value will be 1 by 4 into sine 3A. Okay. Or if it is written cos A into cos 2A into cos 4A, the value will be 1 by 4 cos 3A. If it is written tan A into tan 2A into tan 4A, the value will be directly tan 3A. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Or if it is written as sine 60 degree minus A into sine A into sine 60 degree plus A, the answer will be 1 by 4 sine 3A. Or if it is cos 60 degree minus A into cos A into cos 60 degree plus A. If a question is in this format, answer will be 1 by 4 cos 3A. If it is written as tan, see, I am giving you the direct answer for the direct questions. These sort of question are being asked in SSC and RRB. Okay, so be prepared. Tan 60 degree minus A into tan A plus tan 60 degree plus A, which will be equal to tan 3A. Clear? Or if it asks sine square 60 degree minus A plus sine square A plus sine square 60 degree plus A, then answer is 3 by 2. If it asks cos square 60 degree minus A plus cos square A plus cos square 60 degree plus A, answer is 3 by 2. Clear? Now in this question it is asking cos 20, cos 40, cos 60, cos 80. Sir, if this is A, this is 2A, this is 4A. So here it will be 1 by 4 sine 3 into 20 degree into sine 60 degree. Sir, 1 by 4 into sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Here it is also root 3 by 2. Sir, root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. 2 into 2 is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So answer is 3 by 16. This is 3. Clear? Yes or no? Sorted? Next. Now this is an interesting question. What it is saying? Sine 12 degree into sine 48 degree into sine 54 degree. Now sir, let's say sine 12 degree is my sine A. So sine 60 degree minus A will be what? Sine 60 degree minus A will be sine 60 degree minus 12, that is equal to sine 48 degree. Yes or no? Yes. Now in this question, sine 12 degree into sine 48 degree into sine 54 degree is given. See, sine 60 minus A, sine A is here. So if I add sine 60 plus A, that means sine 72 degree on the upper part, and I divide the same in the lower part, it won't change the whole equation because this will crossed out. Now this value sine A into sine 60 degree plus A into sine 60 degree minus A is equal to 1 by 4 sine 3A, that is sine 36 degree, into sine 54 degree as it is, divided by sine 72 degree can also be written as 2 sine 2 theta is equal to sine theta into cos theta. Yes or no? Yes. Now sir, this value, that sine 54 degree, that also we can written as sine 90 degree minus 36 degree. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sir, here I can write 1 by 4 into sine 36 degree into cos 36 degree divided by 2 sine 36 degree into cos 36 degree. Sine 36 crossed out, 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Answer option D. Clear? So this sort of formula that I am teaching you is why more important, because you need to solve such questions this way. Clear? Yes or no? Next, one more question. Sir, cos 15, cos 45, cos 75. Now understand this. This is my A. So this will be my 60 degree minus A. This is my 60 degree plus A. Yes or no? This is how it is look like. Cos A plus cos 60 degree minus A plus cos 60 degree minus A. What is the formula? 1 by 4 cos 3A. Cos 3A means 3 into 15 degree. That is 1 by 4 cos 45 degree. which is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by root 2. Answer option B. Clear? Yes or no? Getting the point? Sorted? Next. Sir, it is saying tan 6 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 66 degree. Right? Sir, very simple question. Sir, I know over here it is my A. Here it is already given 60 plus A. What I need? 60 minus A. Sir, tan 6 degree into tan 60 and 66 degree combined. Sir, tan 42 degree into tan 78 degree. Let it on the other side. Sir, here's A 60 plus A is here. So if I multiply 60 minus A, that is 54 degree on the upper part, and same is multiply in the lower part, it will make the whole equation as it is before. Yes or no? Now sir, this whole thing is equal to what? Tan 3A. Tan 3A means tan A 6 degree. So tan 3A is tan 18 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 68 degree. Yes or no? Sorry, 78 degree, my bad. Divided by tan 54 degree. Now, sir, if this is my A, this is my 60 degree minus A. This is my 60 degree plus A. Yes or no? Because 60 plus A is 78. 60 minus A is 42. That means this is equal to tan A into tan 60 minus A minus into tan 60 plus A. That is equal to tan 3A. That is 3 into 18 degree. Divided by tan 54 degree. Sir, tan 38, 3 into 18 degree is equal to tan 54 degree. Divided by tan 54 degree, which is equal to 1 because they crossed out. Answer option A. Clear? Yes or no? Getting the point? So this is all about trigonometry. It is all about understanding how to approach a particular question. That's all. Nothing different over here. So you need to understand what is the process to approach this question. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Yes. Next and last question. Sir, sine 6 degree into sine 42 degree into sine 54 degree into sine 6 degree is equal to sine 78 degree. Now understand this. Sir, if this is my A, this is already my 60 minus A, and this is already my 60 plus A. So for this 3, answer will be 1 by 4 sine 3A, that is 3 into 6, 18 degree. Multiply by what is remaining? Sine 42 degree into sine 78 degree. Sir, if this is my A, again this is my 60 minus A. This is my 60 plus A because 60 minus A is 42. 60 plus 18 is equal to 78. Now for this 3, again it will be 1 by 4 into sine 3A, that is 54 degree. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now understand this carefully. In such question, it will give you the value of sine 54 degrees equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. Otherwise, you won't be able to solve this question. Okay. Now, this is what? 1 by 16 into sine 54 degree, that is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Yes or no? Yes. So that means this is root 5 plus 1 by 64. Now, this is equal to what? This root A plus B by C. That means here A is what? 5. B is what? 1. C is what? 64. It is asking where A, B, C are relative coprimes. Now you see all these are relative coprimes. And find the value of A plus B plus C. Sir, A plus B plus C is equal to 64 plus 1 is equal to, this is 4. 65 plus 1 is equal to 70. So answer option D. Minima and maxima means minimum value and maximum value. Okay. So whenever it will be asked what is the maximum value of sine theta or cos theta, it will be 1. What is the maximum value? It is 1. What is the minimum value? It is minus 1. For sine square theta, as it is being squared, so it will be 1 and it will be 0 because minus 1 square is plus 1. Okay. Sine q theta, it is 1 and minus 1. That means for, if I have to write this way, let's say sine n theta and cos n theta, when n is odd, maximum minimum value will be, when n is odd, maximum will be 1, minimum will be -1. When n is even, maximum will be 1, minimum will be 0. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Yes. Now for tan theta and cot theta, maximum minimum value has no limit. Okay. So for tan theta, if I have to understand, for tan n theta and cot to the power n theta, if n is odd, then maximum value is equal to infinite, minimum value minus infinite. If n is equal to even, then maximum value is infinite, minimum value is 0. Because in case of square, in case of even power, negative will be always positive. So the minimum value will be 0. Okay. For sec theta and cosec theta, for sec to the power n theta and cosec to the power n theta, if n is odd, okay, the maximum value will be infinite, minimum value will be minus infinite. But remember this, if n is even, then maximum value will be infinite and the minimum value will be +1. Because if sec theta is 0, that means 1 by 0, cos theta will be infinite. That is not possible. That's why the minimum value of sec to the power n or cosec theta will always be, when the power n is even, is 1. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Got it? Next. Remember this thing. This is the most important thing. Based on this, we'll be solving the whole questions, everything else. It is saying if it is written as sine to the power n theta into cos to the power n theta, maximum value 1 by 2 to the power n, minimum value -1 by 2 to the power n or 0 if n is even. If n is even, the minimum value will be 0. Otherwise it is, if it is odd, it is -1 by 2 to the power n. Maximum value of sine to the power n theta plus cos to the power n theta is 1, whether it is odd power or even power. Minimum value is when theta is equal to 45 degree. Minimum value will be of this is when theta will be 45 degree. Now maximum value of a sine theta plus b sine theta is equal to a square plus b square square root. A sine theta minus b cos theta is equal to same. Minimum value is minus of this value. Clear? Sorted? Maximum value of a sine square theta plus b square square theta is equal to a if a is equal to b, a is greater than b, or b if b is greater than a. So whatever the coefficient, whichever coefficient is greater, it will be the maximum value. In case of minimum, whichever the coefficient is smaller one, it will be the minimum value. Okay. For minimum value of a to the a sine square theta plus b cosec square theta, it is 2 root ab. Okay. When b is less than a, when b is greater than a, it is a plus b. See, these are the star marks. These are the points you need to understand. Otherwise it will create a confusion. For a cos square theta plus b sec square theta, same formula. If b is less than a, it is 2 root ab. If b is greater than a, it is a plus b. B means coefficient of sec square theta. A means coefficient of cos square theta. Here a means coefficient of sin square theta. B means coefficient of cosec square theta. For tan square theta and cos square theta, the minimum value is 2 root ab. Maximum infinite. Minimum value of this is a sec square theta plus b cosec square theta, root square root of a plus b whole square. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Got the idea? Right? Now understand this point. If something is written like this, that y is equal to, for example, a plus b, so the maximum value of y will be always maximum value of x plus maximum value of b, or minimum value of y will always be minimum value of a plus minimum value of b. Whatever the term it is, it should carry the maximum and minimum of that. Okay. In case of minus, this holds the same value. Clear? Clear? No. In case of minus, it won't be the same case. Why? In case of minus, remember this, maximum value is equal to a's maximum value minus B is minimum value, because it is talking about the difference. So the larger the difference, greater the value. So maximum value means A is maximum value and B is minimum value. In case of minimum, it will be A's minimum value minus B's maximum value, so that the gap is reduced. Clear? Now in this question, what it is saying, what is the minimum value? Sir, when we calculate the minimum value, we always take minimum value of A and maximum value of B. Sir, here minimum value of A is 3, maximum value of B is 2 into maximum value of sine cube theta. Sir, maximum value of sine cube theta is 1. Yes or no? Because it is minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 is minimum, 1 is maximum. So the answer is 3 minus 2, that is 1. So 1 is what? 1 is the minimum value of this expression. For maximum value, it should be maximum value of A and minimum value of B. Sir, maximum value of A is what? 3, because it is constant. For B, it is sine cube theta's minimum value. That is, sir, minus 1. Sir, here 3 minus 2 into minus 1, that is 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. So minimum value should be 1, maximum value should be 5. Option B is the right answer. Clear? Yes or no? Next. Sir, find the minimum and maximum. Sir, A sin theta, B cos theta. Minimum value is equal to minus A square plus B square. That is minus 3 square plus 4 square. Sir, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Square root of that is equal to minus 5. Maximum means this is minimum. Square root of A square plus B square, that is equal to 5. So answer is minus 5.5. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Now here it is written, what is the maximum value of 3 sine square theta plus 3 sine square theta plus 4 cos square theta. So what you have told, if an expression is written like this, A sine square theta plus B cos square theta, and A is less than B, that means minimum value is what? Minimum value is A. Maximum value is what? Maximum value is B. So here minimum value is 3, maximum is 4, option A. Clear? If A was greater than B, then minimum would have been B, maximum would have been A. Clear? Sorted? Next. Sir, minimum value of this expression, see, A is less than B, so minimum value is 2. Yes or no? Very simple. Sorted? Now, sir, if y is equal to 4 tan square theta plus 9 cot square theta, if y is equal to 4 tan square theta plus 9 cot square theta, then what would be the value? Sir, we know if A is less than B, if A is less than B, minimum is equal to what? Square root of 2ab. Maximum is infinite. If A is greater than B, the same rule applies. So here minimum value is equal to what? Minimum value is equal to 2 into square root of 4 into 9, that is 2 into square root of 36, that is 2 into 6, which is equal to 12. Answer option A. Clear? Yes or no? Next. Sir, what is the minimum value of this? A be given 2 square root of A into B, that is 2 into square root of 8 into 2, that is 2 into square root of 16, that is 2 into 4, which is equal to 8. Option A. Clear? Next. Sir, 3 sin square theta plus 12 cos square theta. Minimum value. Sir, here A is less than B. So, minimum value is equal to A plus B. That is equal to 3 plus 12, which is equal to 15. Clear? Option B is the right answer. Now, in this question, A is greater than B. So, minimum value will be equal to, sir, 2 square root of AB. That means 2 into 12 into 3 square root, that is 2 into square root of 36, which is equal to 2 into 6, that is equal to 12. Answer option A. See, in this chapter, there will be direct question, nothing, in terms of broken down, different types, different sorts, direct questions. You just need to remember the formula. Okay. Now, it is saying 8 cos square plus 18 sec square. Sir, here A is less than B. So, minimum value is equal to A plus B. 8 plus 18 is equal to 26. Option C. Clear? Now, here A is greater than B. So, max value is equal to 2 into square root of AB. That is 2 into square root of 18 into 8. That is 2 into square root of 144, that is 2 into 12 because square root of 144 is 12. Answer option 24. Clear? Yes or no? Now, sir, it is saying 16 sec square theta plus 25 cos square theta. Sir, in this question, minimum value is equal to square root of a plus square root of b whole square. Maximum is always infinite. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, square root of a means 16 square root of b means 25 square root square. Sir, 4 plus 5 whole square, that is equal to 9 square, which is equal to 81. Answer option A. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Next. Find the minimum value of 4 sine sec square 25. Sir, very simple. Here it is square root of 4 plus square root of 25 whole square, that is 2 plus 5 whole square, that is 7 square 49. Answer option B. In this case, square root of 100 plus square root of 9 whole square, that is 10 plus 9 whole square, that is 19 whole square, that is equal to, sorry, my bad, that 3, my bad. This is 13 square, which is equal to 169. That is option C. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Yes. Now, it is saying what is the least value of cos theta into sin theta. What I have told you, least value of sin to the power n theta into cos to the power n theta is equal to minus 1 by 2 to the power n if n is odd. If n is even, it is 0. This is for minimum value. For maximum value, it is 1 by 2 to the power n. In any case, now it is asking about least, that means smaller value. So here 1 is the power, that means it is odd, so it will be minus 1 by 2 to the power 1, that is equal to minus 1 by 2, option D. Clear? Next, sir, sin fourth cos fourth, that means sir 4 over here. 4 means sir it is even. Sir, in case of even, the power will be always, you have told us the power will be, in case of even, the power will be always minimum value will be 0, maximum value will be 1 by 2 to the power n. Here n is 4, so this is 1 by 16, minimum value is 0, that is option A. Clear? Sorted? Next, minimum maximum of 32. See, if it is 32 multiplied by this, we will only consider 32 multiplied by minimum value of this. Sir, minimum value of fifth odd, so it is 1 by 2 to the power fifth. This is what? Minimum. For maximum, it will be 32 multiplied by 1 by 2 to the power 5. Simple? Now, sir, here it is minus 32 into 1 by 2 to the power 35 is equal, 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. So 32 crossed out, so this is minus 1. Sir, in case of plus, this is 32 into 1 by 2 to the power 35 is equal to 32. Crossed out, that is 1. So answer is minus 1 to 1. Clear? Sorted? Yes or no? Got it? Next, maximum value of sin 6 plus cos 10. So in this sort of question, which is written as sin to the power m theta plus cos to the power n theta, which is equal to 1, and m and n are greater than equal to 2. In this case, the maximum value is equal to 1. Simple as it is. Okay. So sin theta plus cos tan theta, maximum value 1. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Sin to the power 20 theta plus cos to the power 40 theta, maximum value 1. Simple as it is. There is nothing new over here. Sir, sin to the power 4 theta, cos to the power 4 theta. Nothing to worry. Whatever the value it is, it will be always 1, because we know maximum value will be 1. Now, what is the, now it is saying what is the minimum value. Now what I have told you, minimum value is always attained at theta is equal to 45 degree. So sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree plus sec square 45 degree plus cosec square 45 degree plus tan square 45 degree plus cot square 45 degree. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, sin square 45 means 1 by root 2 square, that is 1 by 2. Cos square 45 means 1 by root 2 square, 1 by 2. Sec square means opposite of cos, that is 2, cos square opposite of sine plus 2, tan square 1, cot square 1. Sir, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is equal to 1, 2, 2, 4 plus 1 plus 5, 4 plus 5 plus 6. So 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Thala for a reason. That is option D. Clear? Got it? So this is how you can directly find the answers. Okay? Now, find the minimum value of sine theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square. Sir, what I have told you, theta 45, it will get me minimum value. Sine theta 1 by root 2, cosec theta root 2 whole square, cos theta 1 by root 2, sec theta root 2 whole square. Yes or no? Yes. That means this is 2 into 1 by root 2 plus root 2 whole square. That means 2 into root 2 in the denominator, 1 plus root 2 into root 2, 2 square. That means 2 into 3 by root 2 whole square. That is equal to 2 into 3 square, 9, root 2 square 2, 2 crossed out, answer 9. Minimum value is equal to what? 9. This was all about maxima and minima. Direct questions, whatever I have told you will come. There won't be any practice sheet for this. This particular sheet will be referred multiple number of times for the understanding of maxima and minima. So that's it. That's with which we are done with the SSC Railway syllabus of trigonometry, but I will upload one more class that is known as inverse trigonometry